Any mention? No.
Start. Item 1 to the.
Yes.
Hold on. Item 2.
Lordship, item number 73 of today's list.
Yes.
Lord, can be taken up after vacation.
After vacation. 76. Yes.
Item 2.
Mentioning.
Item 2, I am applying for the union opening.
Who is there? Petitioner. What is he asking?
For issuance of the passport, madam. And they have not served the copy of the notes. I've just gone through the.
Why passport has to be issued if he's entitled?
My lord, if there is criminal cases, what I have seen through the.
If there is no
If there is criminal cases, you have to take NOC from the learning.
right, if there is no legal impediment, you can do it.
Under section 62F and JSR 350E,
Yes.
they have to take permission from the NOC from the learned code below.
That's right. If that one can, I can dispose it as saying that if there is no legal impediment
My lord,
and
let
subject to compliance of
my lord, let
section.
them serve a copy upon us.
I'll just pass over. Let
My
him
lord,
come.
let
Just
him
take it
pass
up.
over.
You have this petition.
My lord, my lord.
Just take it up. I'm passing it over.
My lord.
If it can be disposed of, we will dispose.
My lord.
Otherwise, see. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Item 3.
My lord, may I please?
Yes.
My representation is pending before the collector Kalahandi, which is annexure 5. Since my representation is pending before the
Forget
collector,
about representation. What exactly you want?
it is a Anganwadi case.
Is seeking disposal of the Anganwadi misappeal millers. Annexure 5 millers, you see that page 23. They have been given notice for appearance and disposal.
So hereby notice in person to authorized agent to before the scope. The appeal petition filed by you. Yes.
It has not turned up perhaps. But,
what are you seeking, sir? Annexure 5 only notice has been issued to you. Go and appear.
I went to appear, but they are only giving time to me, my lord.
Oh, that's a different story.
It is pending for since 2022.
they have not.
Inquiry may be made to the selection committee of Anganwadi and to post Anganwadi worker to the testing and dispose of the necessary pending court of decision. What exactly what is the fact? Who are you?
I am the petitioner, which I did
I
not
know you are
got.
petitioner, but what?
I did not got any job because I am disability certificate was not given to me.
Appeal memo has not been annexed.
Appeal memo is not there, nothing is there.
Exit fare.
Anganwadi worker.
Yes.
Huh?
Paragraph 8.
Paragraph 8.
That
Petitions are being
by
filed.
not posted
It is being agreed by not posted in the Anganwadi center, having all the reliable documentation to support to provide of.
There is no advertisement.
This registration of the Scott interiors following question. The contention of the petition is that though he has submitted all necessary documents in support of documents for the purpose of selection, for the purpose of his her selection as Anganwadi worker as per the revised guideline, but the same has not been attended to. Therefore, the petitioner had to file an appeal before the additional district magistrate Kalahandi on as Miss Appeal number 7 of 2022, which is still pending. So appeal for the state has drawn my attention to Annexure 5. It appears that in the appeal filed by the petitioner, notice was issued by the district magistrate for appearance on 19/8/2025 at 11 p.m. And nothing is stated in the petition as to what happened on that particular day, and when the petitioner has reviewed as per the notice issued by the assistant collector judicial of Hon'Ble. Be that is the petitioner's concise prayer of the petitioner is for disposal of the pending appeal. Needless to say that the district magistrate, additional district magistrate, Hon'Ble, will do well to see that the appeal is disposed of in accordance with the law.
Is pending. Miller.
If he has filed, he has given the number.
Number, Miller, on 19/2, we have stated that if not appeared, expect. Appeal will be expected. Whether it is pending or not, we have not stated.
If it is pending, yeah, if it is pending, yes. Yes.
Item 4.
Yes. 4.
My lord, that the petitioner is filing this writ petition challenging
What are you seeking, madam?
seeking for
Inquiry report conducted by not below the rank of joint secretary, so in the writ petition, so considering further opposite party to clear up all their pending areas due to. What are you seeking?
for admission fees of the
Sorry?
He is in fact seeking that,
Huh?
as per the direction of the Hon'Ble court,
Hmm.
they have issued to TC.
Hmm.
And the student, those who are admitted in that college, have not paid their fees,
Okay.
enter fees.
You
And
just
they take direction.
seeking refund of that food.
No, seeking
Admission.
recovery of fees from the student.
This is an institution. No. This is the institution. Sri Aurobindo close to. Okay. How can you recover from the student?
Student, that is the rate is not question.
What right you have?
the notice.
No. What notice? Let us see. You harass these people unnecessary, the students.
Decision seek recovery from the student.
16 year student, 17 year student, and you are
And next.
petitioners invoke the
Your-
writ jurisdiction of this court seeking the following prayer. It is contended
Not next week.
huh?
Next week is.
Beyond vacation, additional beyond vacation.
Scenario.
There is nothing in this petition. It has to be dismissed. Yes, next.
Senior is not there.
Okay. After vacation, next.
Item 5.
Item 5, that it is a retired supervisor
Hmm.
after rendering service about 40 years from 84 to 2020.
Seeking regularization.
Regularize and extend the
After
all
retirement.
benefits.
After retirement.
Post-work regularization and benefit.
Yes, madam. And the government also, madam, just after my retirement, took a decision and granted regularization to all existing supervisors. By that
That
time,
is a subsequent, by that time you demitted office also.
and my grievance here is 89 rules was governing the field regarding the recruitment of all these.
So when you retired,
But the 89 rule was repealed when you retired on 36/2024. And 99 rule replaced the 89 rule. But what happened in 2008?
why you have come, you came after 2 years?
But, because he is not getting even the worker.
No,
They are getting
you
returned.
have demitted office in 2024. In 2026 you become wiser. Why?
He has been pursuing, she has been
Show me
pursuing.
anything you have done between 24 to 26.
Well, my humble submission is your lordship will find the resolution that I have also enclosed.
No, but you show me whether you have approached them, what time you have approached. Only you become wiser after somebody else has got it.
And Ballard, I have also taken the stance. Similar issue has been decided in WPC number 21,900 977 or
So
2000.
that is within
That is not pending now, confirmed in writ appeal. In the meantime,
not pending, but they are in service.
maybe. But why I will be deprived
You
of
have copy, have
similar?
you got a copy?
They have annexed that.
I'm not issuing notice, seek instruction if any something can be
Madam,
given.
If there is some
Some financial benefit.
plus 2 weeks after.
After vacation.
After.
Yes. If anything can be given, I'm not issuing notice.
My lord.
Simply copy of the advance copy of the writ petition is applied to the state council, and he seeks time to get instruction. Yes, sir. Yes, no notice. Yes.
Item 6.
Lordship. Lordship, the petitioner being agreed with the formation of village level watershed committee in village Tendapadar Gram Panchayati, Lordship. Without
Watershed committee, next
It-
one.
Yes, Lordship.
Who are you?
Your Lordship, I am a co-villager.
Hmm.
And the
How
watershed,
do you agree?
Lordship, the water committee is formed. Your Lordship, with some influential person without taking the consent of the Gram Panchayat and ward member, Your Lordship, they have.
The Panchayat is not making any grievance.
Page 12, Your Lordship. That is a resolution. All
Huh?
agriculture officer, all are present, and villagers are also present. That is a resolution.
Your Lordship,
There is a resolution of the committee, and everybody has signed. So many people have signed. And how are you agreeing as an individual?
Lordship, I'm representing means, the co-villager, Your Lordship.
You may be co-villager.
Yes,
Who
Lordship.
will authorize you to file?
Lordship, the
Any other person in the village is aggrieved?
yes, Your Lordship.
Panchayat is aggrieved, show me.
Lordship, we have submitted a representation
No,
that
that representation, no.
in the annexes.
Right, you have to tell me, what is representation?
Lordship, in that representation, every other villager has signed, Your Lordship.
No. Yeah, unless the panchayat come forward.
The Sarpanch and the ward members have also signed in that
This is
representation, Lordship.
This is all arm twisting, nothing else.
Your Lordship, may I kindly have.
All these villages, according to you, have signed.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So, they authorized you to file a writ petition?
Yes, Your Lordship.
To authorize. All of them authorize you to file a writ petition. But they will authorize.
Your Lordship, as per the,
You are making it as a PIL, basically.
Your Lordship, as per the oral agreement between the villagers, I have filed this, Your Lordship.
File not it. Petitioner,
Your Lordship, the representation may be disposed of, that is pending before.
this is what is the problem is. Why representation if you have no right? Where is the question of representation? This is a unnecessary. Petitioner has revoked the jurisdiction of this court seeking following prayer. It is contended by the petitioner that he is a villager and is aggrieved by the formation of the watershed committee. Committee by who has formed this committee? Respondent. Respondent number 2. Respondent number 2. He further submits that he along with the all other villages having similar agreements have submitted a representation dated 25/9/2025 to the opposite party number opposite party number 3, which is pending. The council for the state submitted that the watershed committee, which has been formed, it precedes in meeting where the not villages, and these are the Gram Panchayat officers who has signed, the Panchayat members or what?
Ward members and
12, 13. Yes. Who has signed it? Sabhya Sadasya Mane. The members of Gram Panchayat have there was a meeting preceding the formation of the committee. There was a meeting held in the panchayat, and the members of the panchayat have signed in the meeting on the basis of the decision taken in the meeting. The committee has been formed. Committee has been formed. The annexure 2. Annexure 2 attached to the petition indicates that apart from the members of the panchayat, many villages have also signed in the, lot of villages,
Lot of it.
have
And
signed.
agricultural officer, what are they?
Hundreds of villages have signed, hundreds of villages have signed were participated in the meeting, and they have also affixed their signature. Moreover, the representation given by the villagers, subsequent representation given by the villager along with the petitioner appears to be an afterthought, and the petitioner alone has approached this court, and there is no authorization given by the other villagers for the purpose of approaching this court. Therefore, there is no cause of action arose in favor of the petitioner, and there is no enforceable right exists in favor of the petitioner to maintain the writ petition. Hence, the writ petition is dismissed. Yes. Next.
Item 7.
Made. My lord, election of Anganwadi worker, my lord. The lordship annexed to page 11, my lord. Is a
Representation.
yes.
What right?
What right, my lord? I have got under the RT Act, my lord. I am the villagers of that area, my lord. It is the, my lord, the condition is that he must be within the residential area. Service area. But what happened in this case, my lord? Earlier Anganwadi worker left the job, my lord. So after that, my lord, the next serial number 2, they have given an appointment, though he belongs to other services.
Show me that serial number.
Yes, my lord, I have got the.
Annex 4, your lordship, residence certificate annex. That is,
Where is the list? Show me.
Annex 14, my lord, RTR, my lord.
No.
I got the
She might have been given. That's not an issue.
Again.
Where is your right?
My right, I am belongs to same
Then
village.
the entire village is entitled.
Yes, my lord.
Whether you participated, your name appears there in the.
My lord. I am
Then essentially you are challenging the appointment of Manjulata Rao.
yes, my lord.
Essentially,
Ah.
right. You participated in the process.
No, I am, my lord, gents, my lord. Since, my lord, she belongs to other service area, my lord.
I don't need to tell you in this jurisprudence,
My lord.
unless you have a right, how can you maintain it?
All villagers are written to the collector, my lord. I have annexed that.
You show me.
Yes, my annex 5, my lord.
Villages have not come up.
Whistleblower.
All these things are politically.
My lord. It is not
Representation. What representation? Right, you have, I don't know.
16, my lord.
Page 16.
My lord.
Where have you signed?
I have signed in the middle, my lord.
Show me. What is your name?
My lord, my Vijay
Vera. Yes.
My lord, Vijay Vera achu.
Hmm.
Annex 3, my lord. 1, 2, 3, 4 ରେ ଅଛୁ।
What have you said here?
ସେ ସେ 8,000 ଥିଲି କିନ୍ତୁ କୌଣସି କାରଣରୁ ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି କର୍ମୀ ଇସ୍ତଫା ଦେଲେ ପୁଣି ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ ବାର ନୋଟିଫିକେସନ କରି ନିଯୁକ୍ତି କଲା କିନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ସେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଜଏନ କଲେନି ତାପରେ ତୃତୀୟ ବାର ଆମେ ଶୁଣିବାକୁ ପାଇଲୁ ସେ ଅଗ୍ରତରେ ବିନା ନୋଟିଫିକେସନ ନିଯୁକ୍ତି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି।
So you are challenging the appointment.
ରାଇଟ୍ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ଯାଉଛି ନା।
Show me that. Manjulata.
ଯୋଉଟା ଆନେକ୍ସ 3 ପେଜ 14 ଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ମ୍ୟାଡାମ।
Yes.
ନିଯୁକ୍ତି 4 ନମ୍ବର ଉତ୍ତର ନିଯୁକ୍ତି ପାଇଥିବା ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ମାର୍କ ଅନୁସାରେ 2 ନମ୍ବରରେ ଥିଲେ 1 ନମ୍ବରରେ ଥିବା ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ନିଯୁକ୍ତି ପାଇଥିଲେ ସେ ଚାକିରି ଛାଡିବା ପରେ ବିଜ୍ଞାପନ ପ୍ରକାଶ ପାଇବାର 90 ଦିନ ହୋଇନଥିବାରୁ ସରକାରଙ୍କ ନିୟମ ଅନୁସାରେ ନୂତନ ବିଜ୍ଞାପନ ନ କରି ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ ନମ୍ବର ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିକୁ ସୁଯୋଗ ଦିଆଗଲା।
ठीक है, no problem there. But she belongs to different.
ସେଟା ସେ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି।
Where is that?
6 ନମ୍ବର ପ୍ରଶ୍ନରେ 6 ନମ୍ବରରେ ମ୍ୟାଡାମ
ଏହା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ନିଯୁକ୍ତି
ସହାୟତା ଥିଲେ
ଏହା ପୂର୍ବରୁ
ସେ ଯଦି
Manjulata Raut doesn't belong to the police. Show me. Manjulata is appointed.
ନାଇଁ 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 ହେଲ୍ପ ଆପଣ ଖାଲି କେନ୍ଦ୍ର ହଉଛନ୍ତି ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଯୋଉ ରେସିଡେନ୍ସିଆଲ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଟା ସେ ଖାଲି ବାଘ ହେଲା ସର୍ଭିସ ଏରିଆଟା ଏଇଟା ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ସର୍ଭିସ ଏରିଆ
What is the advertisement of
ଆମେ କରୁଛୁ କଣ ଦେଖୁନ
Bagua gate?
ନାଇଁ ବାଘ
Area is back.
You have in the prayer, you are essentially challenging the appointment of respondent number. Respondent number.
No,
Respondent 7.
Again.
What is your prayer? That why you have representation. You challenge somebody's appointment. Challenge that appointment. To someone. You have amended your prayer. If you really want relief, amend your prayer.
I will amend.
Amend your prayer challenging the government of protection. Thereafter we'll see.
No, we can file appeal. Since we are not.
Thereafter we'll see. Thereafter we'll see whether you can maintain it or not.
Again.
Essentially, the petitioner in the presented petition is assailing the order of appointment of opposite party number 7 as a Hon'Ble worker. However, contrary to that, however, in this writ petition, there is no specific prayer made in that regard. Rather, on the contrary, and prayer is made for disposal of the representation given by the petitioner on 25/8/2025. Since the representation given by the petitioner is pending before the collector, the petitioner has approached this court. Moreover, the representation is being signed by many villagers. No authorization has been placed on record to suggest that the villagers have authorized. No document is placed before the court showing that the petitioner has been authorized by the other villagers to file the presented petition. At this stage, Mr. Tripathi seeks an adjournment to amend the writ petition, lease the matter after vacation. Yes.
May I pray 11th?
You
11th.
After vacation, what urgency is there? What urgency? To appoint it.
Already.
If you are working, you will not be appointed.
No.
Appointment. Her job may go. May go, may not go, I don't know, but you will not be appointed. Hundreds of villages have signed.
Again.
They authorize you to come here.
All villages, I will
Show me.
file your authorization certificate.
And writs are not filed like this. You know that.
After vaccine.
Without any authorization, without anything. Writs are not being filed like this. On that ground itself, I could have dismissed it. Yes.
Item 8.
My lord, in this case, the grievance of the petitioner is that, my lord.
Yes.
Even if the petitioner passed metric secondary examination, still then his result has not been published.
Sorry? Secondary?
Metric result has not been published.
Sorry?
Metric result, my lord, secondary examination. The petitioner, my lord, appeared metric examination under the National Institute of Open School, Noida, Uttar Pradesh. NIOS, my lord, as per the guideline to upliftment of the illiterate, this is a past.
What is your grievance, you tell me?
My lord,
What is your grievance, you tell me?
my grievance, even if the petitioner appeared metric examination under the NIOS, and she has passed, but the result has not been published.
And then who is to publish the result?
NIOS, my lord.
Uttar Pradesh. Okay, I'll issue notice. Returnable within weeks. Process fees to file within 2 days. Yes. Yes, next.
Item 9.
As the governing body, the petition before lordship, challenging the order of rejection, my lord, at annexure 9, wherein the application of the governing body for antedating the recognition has been rejected, my lord.
Who are you? You are.
I am the governing. reprinted through the principal.
I'll issue notice, issue notice. Yes.
Item 10,
Yes. 10. Confidential report under the
The-
confidential.
Petitioner is challenging the memorandum dated 8/10
Mhm.
8/10/25 initiated by the OP number 3, Your Lordship.
6, Annexure 6 you are talking about. Huh?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Annexure.
What happened here?
Lordship, the results of the petitioner were not published on the basis of UFM, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Unfair practice, unfair malpractice, Your Lordship.
Okay, issue notice, written will be then.
Your Lordship, similar matter has been already been adjudicated, Your Lordship, by the coordinated bench.
Dispose of, huh?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Just,
State
just,
government is not practicing.
huh? Just see,
State government is
I'm
not-
giving it on today is, I'll keep it on 12th, huh? 12th, just give a copy, give a copy. Then counsel for the petition,
Here is,
relying upon.
Lord, state government is not practicing.
No.
No.
I,
In the
Item
national
Kapila?
state government.
who are the parties, sir?
Central CBSE, regional director, central
Okay, then counsel
government
for
will
the
copy.
petitioner relying upon the,
Okay, already served, Your Lordship.
Central government will be.
relying upon the judgment of this court dated so and so, Likido, so and so, Deji, so and so, submits that his case is directly covered by the said judgment. Issue notice to opposite party number 2 and 3, 1 and 2. No, all the respondent. You will be appearing for whom? No. Any standing counsel is there? Anybody is there? For CBSE?
Sir, I have served a copy to CBSE, Your Lordship.
Take out notice, leave the matter on 18th. Take out notice, 18th.
item 11,
One of the petitioner is a candidate for the post of CRP, my lord, community resource person. He filed this writ application challenging the selection of opposite party number 9. But there is a irregularity in the selection process.
Which party shall not be directed to issue engagement? Party community resource. 4. Annexure 4 you are challenging. You are in merit list, huh? What is your name? The name is
Video.
Tikli Malik.
Video.
Tikli Malik merit list.
Merit list.
You are number 2.
Annexure 4.
Number 2. You are in number 2. You are in number 2. Who has been appointed now?
Not been appointed, my lord. That some of the candidates has approached this honorable court. That some irregularity has been committed.
No, just I am asking whether you have implemented these people.
Yes, my lord. Opposite party.
Kunalata Jenna and Jili Adraut.
Kunal Jena has been added as party.
What about Jili?
That my lord,
She also stands in 3.
because he is my, I hope my lord,
Whatever, but she is in the waiting list. She may be having some grievance. Second waiting.
that I
You are
can.
first waiting.
Yes, my lord, first
The
waiting.
second waiting.
Yes, ma'am.
My lordship, may kindly say annexure 1, page
Hmm.
13. That is office of the Mahamangala Mohila Mahasangha. That is a NGO, my lord. Whether the rate is maintainable or not, I am in doubt, my
My lord, the authority is the video, my lord. My lord, kindly see opposite party number. I have made the opposite party.
Now, who gives the appointment? Let us
Yes,
see.
my lord, 5.
That organization.
That the authority, my lord.
Prabhanetri Mohila Mangala Mohila Mahasangha, Kakatpur, Puri.
Who is the authority? How do you say?
Yes, my lord.
Video.
The block mission Shakti coordinator come video Kakatpur. It is a funding by the government, my lord. So video is the authority.
But
Funded
authority-
Funded by the government.
Yes, ma'am.
Appointment authority is
Controlled by the,
Funded by the government, instrumentality.
yes, ma'am.
Instrumentality. Okay. Issue notice. Written 4 weeks. Yes. Next.
13 is the same, my lord.
13 also.
Yes.
Issue notice. Huh?
Obliged.
But you, preferably you should include the third person also.
Yes, sir.
Better, otherwise technically you may face some problem.
Yes.
Meanwhile, and counsel for the petitioner also seek leave of the court to include the necessary party.
Yes.
Necessary party. Proper, necessary and proper party.
13 my lord, 7 month.
13 or 15?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
12.
Item 12.
Yes.
Selection of opinion number 6, the post of community helper is under assembly. Only like they have not taken into consideration the marks secured by the present petitioner in that.
Mamta has been appointed.
But Mamata selected.
Selected, right? Selected.
Appeal provision is there,
And
madam.
also helper, Anganwadi helper.
Helper, appeal provision is there.
Very well.
Show me,
ADM will be the appellate authority.
show me,
For
that-
a hearing, hello.
show me, but for helper also.
Super.
My lord,
Helper also.
my lord, helper, worker,
Anganwadi worker there are.
worker, helper.
Show me. Show me the provision. Pass it over. Show me the provision.
My lord,
Okay, it's there.
this is the proof.
Which part?
That's the guideline. He can register before the higher authority, who has not been appointed, madam.
It means to worker.
Worker, helper,
Then there is.
ସବୁ ସେଟା ଅଛି ଯେ ଅଛି।
Whether it's talk about the helper.
You know, he's saying that it is it also helper. He's stretching the language of the statute.
No, I am
Then-
not stretching the language.
And that
That is there.
it is all about worker. Super, I stand for correction.
Which provision covers?
Then there is a circular, madam. The government
Show
circular.
me that particular circular. I can't read the entire book.
Madam.
Show me the particular. I'm just passing it over. Huh? Just see. I'll put it tomorrow.
My lord, yeah, tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Yes.
Item 14.
My prayer has been already redressed.
Address.
Prayer for issuance of passport. In the meantime, they have issued the passport.
The prayer made in the writ petition has already been granted by the competent authority. Hence, the petitioner doesn't want to
Issued.
this petition. Yes.
They did.
Disposed of. Yes, disposed of.
That's it.
Item 15.
May I please, Your Lordship? An application challenging the rejection of benefit under Subhadra scheme launched by the Government of Orissa Child and Women Development, Your Lordship. The same has been rejected. Annexure 2, Your Lordship, page 23.
Annexure 3.
Annexure 2 is rejection order, Your Lordship.
Yes.
And may I drag your
Your
attention
name appears where?
in as a Lordship?
What is your name? Nirupama Jena. Yes. Yes.
Your lordship, you can see the page 18.
Then I said.
Your lordship, you can see the page 18. That is a guideline, my lord. He can agitate before the authority, my lord.
Where is that?
Page 18, my lord.
18.
My lord.
Okay.
Page 18, Subhadra Society. The society will be taxed with the responsibility overall implementation, monitoring and evaluations of the scheme. The society will be set up a state level project monitoring unit. He can agitate there, my lord. The rate is not maintained.
The society would be set up with state level monitoring unit, so and also provide support.
Line 2, sir.
The implementation of sugar. Nice. For the purpose of implementation of that Subhadra is not given to her. That is the given. If it is given for implementation, if any problem is there, they can go to that.
And he will not be that he can agitate there, my
I
lord.
just see, read it.
The society will be taxed with the responsibility overall implementation. Overall implementation, my lord.
If you give them the question of implementation comes.
And monitoring and evaluation of the scheme.
If you give, then only these questions arise. He is agreed by not giving. He is agreed because Subhadra, your benefit is not given to her.
That is in, government has not extended that benefit to the petitioner.
That is the merit, na? That's what that has to be looked into. Issue notice, huh? Alternate remedy is not there. Yes.
Item 16,
Please, Your Lordship, madam. As both the appellate court's order has been challenged here, my lords. As it differed from the original order, CDPO, my lords, taking account of the certificate issued by the Bihar Sanskrit Vidyalaya, which was not equivalent to the +2 certificate, CDPO rejected and appointed me, my lords. Thereafter,
Order dated 20th December 2024, this fee.
20th December, my lords. Page, Lordship, may kindly see 18, page 18. The CDPO members mentions in para 4 of the said para-wise comment that there were 3 numbers of applicants applied for the post of Anganwadi helper of Balia Padar, Mini AWC, and Srimati Nirupama Badi had secured highest 76.6 points. And
1 minute, hold on. Just see in this case, and para 16, at the top, just see. Anganwadi helper appeal number 4 of 2024. The earlier case.
Yes.
Earlier case, this will help you.
I want to, he has filed an fact appeal, second appeal. Then he approached to your lordship.
So this is the provision.
This is that is not provision, but that in that case, that is the provision.
This is the provision.
Yes.
That is the provision.
No, other.
I listen to this.
My lords. My lord.
See the provisions in this regard.
Madam.
Issue notice returnable within
4
weeks.
I was already appointed, but remove kara jayesi. Aske taku de di.
3 weeks, means 3 on 22nd.
Much
Yes.
So again, it should be disturbed in the admission stage, ma'am.
It is clear that the writ petition is full of
caveat, they have filed caveat petition. We have soft copy also.
Caveat is filed caveat. There is no caveat.
Biplav Bahali, Mr. Bahali is appear.
There is no caveat, sir.
Caveat? Okay, we'll solve. Yes, we'll
within 2 days.
We'll take speedy post matters.
Within 2 weeks for them. 2 weeks and lease the matter on 20th.
Much appreciated.
item 17,
17th.
Please, your lordship. Please, your lordship, kindly see my prayer. Here, Mila, petitioner is a lady from farmer's family of Bolangir district. My prayer is that, Mila, that the
Mukhyamantri Krishi Udyog Yojana.
Phase 6.
You are entitled,
Mukhyamantri Krishi Yojana Udyog Yojana scheme.
Loan.
By the annexer 1 Mila, the petitioner held Yojana and he submitted the quotation, and thereafter by the annexer 1 page 9. He was allowed that money, and he projects were completed. He completed the project. Your lordship, page 9, annexer 1 below. After successful establishment,
successful establishment of and the trial of
will be
project.
entitled for subsidy to the tune of 50% of the project cost, limited up to 1 crore. He availed the loan of 32 lakhs. Then after completion of that,
the subsidy is not given.
She now deposited 10 lakhs before the bank, my lord. So 50% means she has to pay only 16 lakhs. 16 lakhs by subsidy by the
But
government.
anyway, you are agreed by non payment of the subsidy.
Subsidy by the government.
That's the only.
So now problem is that, my lord, total interest of the total whole.
Those things are different. Whether you are entitled or not, that's the question.
That is happening.
What is petitioner is agreed by non-payment of the subsidy of 50% of the project cost under the Mukhyamantri Krishi Yojana Udyog Yojana. He submits that he availed 30 lakhs of loan, 30 lakh loan for the under the scheme and completed the project, but the subsidy has not been paid to them. Therefore, therefore this.
That's 32 lakhs, 39,254. 821.
That is the loan level.
The problem is, if delayed by the bank import the interest.
I understand it, but you are entitling to it.
If the government will give.
That will be adjusted that side and the interest will also be reduced.
Now the bank already import the whole total money 9 lakhs interest to the.
If the timely 50%
so
subsidy would be given, you would not have paid the interest on the entire amount.
You should file your application before the collector, my lord.
I filed it
For redressal of grievance.
page 24.
Okay.
24/11, 2025.
18.
That may be fixed.
Yes, my lord.
2 weeks notice I issue. Yes.
Right now, 18. In this matter, the grievance of the petitioner is that his son's date of birth is not in accordance with the birth certificate issued by the competent authority in the school records as well.
The son is a minor.
Yes, my lord.
Minor.
Yes, my lord.
Date of birth of the son of the petitioner is not changed by the opposite party according to the birth certificate.
Yes,
Talking about the petition is agreed by agreed because his date of birth of his minor son has not been changed even.
Hello, your lordship, you can listen to page 9 of the writ petition.
9?
Page 9.
Hmm.
Page 9, that is the certificate of birth issued by the Department of Health and Family Welfare. 4/4/2024, that certificate has been issued. When he born, my lord. From that day, that date of birth has been
23
birth certificate, my lord. To 4/4/2024 is the afterthought, my lord. Yes, an application.
But see, afterthought you can tell,
my lord.
but who has issued this?
Date of birth, my lord.
No, who has issued this certificate?
My lord, who issued this? Government agency has issued this certificate. My lord, your lordship can see.
My lord,
Start doubting your
your lordship can see he has filed an application before the board. The government has no role.
You answer it first.
My lord.
Your first question is, you say that it's 24 certificate. Who has issued? Government of Orissa. Documents?
That is the, my lord, sometimes
my
lord, sometimes they are.
You issued the
My lord, your lordship, we cannot change the.
My lord,
that is not the issue. You first of all, you say that, see, the document is obtained in 24.
That is a fact, my lord. I have supplied.
That's not a fact.
Then
because I record that you are objecting to the certificate.
My submission, my lord. Your lordship,
everything you don't. It's a minor child.
My lord.
A date of birth certificate is
certificate.
I didn't ask you to change. I am issuing notice to the board only.
My lord.
But government is having responsibility now.
Government having no responsibility, my lord.
Then why are you objecting?
My lord, we made a party for that is I am submitting for lord.
Therefore, you say that the document which
annex that is the annex that.
What kind of submission?
The birth is registered in the year.
Doubt certificate. Certificate issued by government of Orissa, doubting that.
My lord, pardon, my lord. That
That's not.
2008 will.
This boy.
And that the birth is also registered in this stamp.
college रे admission कर साला पर से कोई जो date of birth भूले जी certificate जा अच्छी
Issue kind college birth certificate. He is relying upon that right, wrong, whatever. You have issued it.
The birth is registered in the year 2008 will.
Whatever. Government document. What can you do?
मत किसी को तुम जा करता
है. Certificate is false certificate.
I'm not submitting that, my lord, because my lord, the board authority, the competent authority, correct date of birth, my lord. My lord, our government is having
things by the opposite party number 2, opposite party number 2, on the basis of the birth certificate issued by the competent authority under opposite party number 1, opposite party number 2. Issue notice. Mr. Bolo accept notice for 1, and for 2, 3, and 4, 2, 3, 4. You take out notice.
2, 3, 4, and 6 also now he is admitted in the
Okay. Take out notice for this. Yes, next.
Item 19.
Yes. 19, anybody is there?
Anganwadi worker.
What is she asking? Production of the same may be worse and may be improved by the engagement. Again, appeal has to file.
That is a provision.
Amendment only.
Like that is he challenged the appointment of the respondent.
Hali Behra.
My lord.
Ali Behra.
And he has submitted his certificate after the cut-off date, my lord. That is grievance is that.
Production of the same and
After the date of the selection.
Okay, nobody is there. Leaves the matter after vacation. Yes.
Item 20.
I may please your lordship. I am on VC, my lord. The petitioner was, my lord, the petitioner was an applicant and also a beneficiary of a Subhadra scheme. She has got 2 installments. In the 3rd installment, it was stopped wrongly, my lord. It was a, my lord, landless lady, but the opposite party has shown she has 5 acres more
What is your prayer? Just read the prayer.
My lord.
Read the prayer.
My lord.
Read it.
I am reading.
What are you asking?
I have already got, my lord, 2 installments.
Read, sir, please read it.
My lord, I am reading.
Graciously please to issue notice to the opposite party.
My lord.
More specifically, opposite party number 1 to file show cause notice. For show cause for what?
My lord, wrongly
and issue mandamus. Mandamus for what?
My lord, I was a beneficiary.
What is your prayer?
They
Change your prayer.
the 3rd installment.
Please change your prayer. There is no prayer at all. There is no prayer at all.
My lord, my repentation is pending. Then consider the.
That's the problem.
The same guideline is applicable in this case, my lord.
If you what right you have, you tell me. What right you have taken? You file a fresh petition. This is not properly framed. Nothing is there.
My lord, kindly have a glance annexer 6 series. There is the report of the Tahsildar, RI, and the CTPO. I have no land, my lord.
Whatever, but see, you have to change your prayer. Let us for the petition seeks an adjournment to amend the petition. Particularly the prayer portion of the petition, leaves the matter after 3 weeks. Yes, amend it. Yes.
21.
Item 20, may I please, your lordship. Offence under section 1152, 296, 3162, 351(3 of BNS 23.
Yes. What are
allegation is that 60,000 टंकार हिसाब से देना महिला समिति योजना सेक्रेटरी अदर मेंबर्स मन जाइतले अदर इंटरमेंट प्रेजेंटेशन 60,000 टंका हिसाब में देना
all the members of the
हिसाब में meeting was arranged.
Given a calculation sheet of 60,000 and when
only calculation sheet.
When the Sankirtan Mandal committee has asked to her and he has gave a slab though. That is the list.
Only allegation is, I guess.
Yes.
22.
22 296, 351, 374. Bhaujo deji oral quarrel between 2 brothers. Bhaujo dioranare affair deji.
Petitioner is the sister-in-law.
Informant is brother-in-law.
No. Petitioner is the sister-in-law of the informant.
Yes.
My lords.
Sister-in-law is the informant. What are the allegations?
That's 296.
What are the allegations?
Allegation is that भाई भीतर झगड़ा हला कहला भाई को मारी देबी बोली दा धरी की मार देबी मो साड़ी टाण देला मो जोर आसी कबाट दे देली भितर
Detail by means of acts.
गाँव रे मतलब जमी ପାଇଁ झगड़ा.
You have not, 109 is invoked? No.
No, madam.
109 is not invoked.
No,
मतलब only non-billable is 74.
354 council पर भी सबूत लिखो चार सब बिल होता ना सबूत इंडिकेट भी लिखो सबूत लिखो the person says that he doesn't have any criminal desire सबूत all indicate लिखो
No criminal answer. Good.
yes next
23.
No affair. No
Huh?
affair.
20
23.
no FIR 30 days notice करो
1 month.
हैं
1 month. notice.
1 month notice ठीक है 1 month notice no FIR pending arrest so कर दिए ठीक yes next
24.
All these offences are under section 3 SCSTR is there.
Sorry
3 SCSTR.
okay
Then
then 3 SCSTR then
yes, Lordship.
that
Billable.
promote right
Yes.
promote right promote ठीक है dispose para 23 promote right ठीक yes
25.
Yes. I pledge your lordship.
yes sir
The informant loss
2015 FIR
Yes.
2015, I am coming very peculiar thing.
must be
Responding. Case was registered against X. The investigating agency slept over the 10 years. Thereafter, what the IO did, he filed a petition before the London court below, issuing NBW with a prayer to issue NBW against the petitioner. That was rejected. So that is the cause of apprehension that the IO with an ulterior motive dragging these fellows in their case. I have filed that order.
Where is that? Show me that order.
That is the order, your lordship annexure 2, page 18. Order dated 5/12/25.
5/12/25. The IO issue NBW against the accused person, namely, what is his name? Patita Baban Swami. He is Patita Baban Swami.
Vibhuti Bhushan Nanda and
Patita Baban Swami and Vibhuti Bhushan Nanda. The IO submit charge sheet by showing them as a absconder. Peruse the prayer of the IO and connected documents. The IO submitted that he had searched for the persons at their village and found them absent, and he has also conducted multiple raids and they are persons have the locality and the world. For the previously the court history is both crazy and we should go out of the constitution for this unavailable to nature maximum prescribed so why it is rejected?
implicated in the sense that both account has been opened in joint name.
Why NBW prayer is
NBW refused
nothing.
There is in course of investigation there is a
examined by the IU and no investigating his IU determining whether the persons
account has
in the merit it is dismissed.
But here is a case during investigation. IO is found that the account has been opened in joint.
What the
because deposited has
cooperative organization was there.
Cooperative organization deposited.
Okay, I granted it should be right on. Because the while rejecting the prayer of NBW, see the observation. You have not done anything.
In CD there is a
But that's the observation. Entitled to at least any antecedent?
No.
Petitioner has been FIR dated so was registered in making the following allegation. It was a different way. Following allegation. After investigation, the sheet was filed. Showing the how many petitioners?
Two petitioners.
Showing the petitioners, both Patita Pavan and Vibhuti.
CEO of that cooperative society and joint account as well.
Okay. The petitioners were shown as an absconder, on the basis of which the IO for the case moved an application before the court below for issuance of NBW. The trial court rejected the prayer of the IO by the order dated 5/12/2025. And while rejecting the prayer of the IO for issuance of NBW against the petitioner, the trial court specifically recorded that there is nothing on the case diary to show that the accused persons have been examined by the IO. No, full stop. No investigation has been conducted by the IO to determine whether the said accused persons are employed outside their village or not. Besides that, the IO has not disclosed the reasons as to why the arrest of the accused persons are essential in the case, and the purpose of their arrest would serve in the investigation of the case. Charge sheet has not been filed. Charge sheet has been filed, na? No, charge sheet has not been filed. During investigation, the petitioner. During investigation, since the petitioner is absconding, the IO has moved out. Hence, the prayer of the IO for issuance of an NBW has been rejected. Next round. At this stage, the petitioners came to know regarding the development of the case, and hence they have an apprehension of arrest. In view of the same, the present anticipatory bail application is moved. Regarding to the aforementioned and taking into consideration the submission made by the parties, it is granted subject to the conditions shown. Yes.
66.
My lord, 35 is compliant. 35 is compliant.
Okay, I think section 35(3) has been compliant. If the petition is the petition is not rating the present petition, both the matter. 26. Yes.
Both the items, sub items.
Both the items.
Yes.
27.
My lord, the case is the abatement of suicide. The complainant is the father, deceased is a son. The prosecution story is that the
petitioner is the son.
Deceased is a son.
Who is petitioner?
Petitioner is the parent. My lord, complainant against 3 accused persons. The accused number 3 and present petitioner are parents. And the accused number 3 and the deceased, they who have died, are the co-villagers. The deceased, that taking the phone number of the present petitioner.
CD is there?
No, my lord, CD is required because there is a trap to the
Call for CD. List the matter.
My lord, because petitioner is the young student and lady, so we would not have some. Annex of 2, I will annex the identical.
Annex 2.
2, my lord.
Yes. It is a girl.
My lord,
how are you related to the deceased?
Because Ranjita, that is one lady, fall in love with that deceased, and she has a relationship with others, and both are trapped that deceased and blackmailing them. That is the allegation.
Okay. Call for CD. Release the matter on 14th. In the meantime, no court eviction. But this is a girl of 22 years. Yes. Yes.
28.
Wait, please. Well, 307 and other allied offences. This is a case of road rage. Puja Mandapre, there was an altercation between the petitioner as well as the accused person.
What are the injuries?
My instruction is that injuries is simple and he has already been discharged.
Let's see. Injury. Antecedents?
28. No antecedent.
You said anywhere?
My lord?
Have you said that you don't have any antecedent?
No, that is my instructions.
Instructions are like that only. Yes.
Not this.
Do you have injury report?
It has not been.
What are the allegations? Let us see whether
injury at
allegation.
As per the allegation,
Page
injury
8.
at head, man.
Page 8, read it. What is your name? Your name is?
My lord, Silu Naik. One Silu Naik. obstructed his cycle, abused him in filthy language, threw his cycle at the Tulasipalli Lakshmi Puja gate and assaulted him with a wooden plank, aiming to his head with the intention to kill him live.
Head injury?
Heading.
Well, there was bleeding injury.
Wooden plank, aiming to his head. Subject to verification of the nature of it.
Yes.
Subject to verification of learned counsel for the petitioner submits that this is the case of road race. The petitioner, what is the age of this petitioner? Road race. Petitioner has no criminal antecedent, and the injury is allegedly sustained by the injured are simple in nature. However, the State Council opposed the bail, anticipatory bail on the ground that the injury report has not yet been obtained. Nature of injury is not certain, certain. Be that as it may, the petitioner is granted anticipatory bail subject to verification of the nature of injury. Nature of injury, it will be released by the arresting officer. Subject to verification of antecedent as well. Yes.
29.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, corresponding offences 411, 420, 120, and 34, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, the offences.
I'm
going interim protection. Interim protection.
Oh, no. How many antecedents have?
Zero antecedent, Lordship.
What are the allegations?
Allegation, Lordship, helping in the opening of account, Lordship. There is no transaction, Lordship, in the petitioner account, Lordship.
It's
simply employee of
fraud
It's
and
the same fraud. Cyber crime.
Till that interim protection.
Cyber crime is very dangerous.
Public.
I'll put it on 11th, 12th.
Public.
Okay.
Item 30.
City call. Yes, sir.
Offences under section 296, 115, and 109 is there, my lord. My lord, the petitioner is the wife and the complainant is the husband, my lord. So far the allegation of the affair is husband. Petitioner is the wife.
Wife has given.
Yes. So far as the allegation of the affair is concerned, there is the
wife has given to husband.
Tried to kill by
reverse case. Okay.
So far the allegation in the affair is concerned, the husband has admitted there is matrimonial dispute is going on and the wife is demanding money and also wants to get a divorce. No injuries, my lord.
109. Simple.
And
09 is not my lord. My lord. So
sister-in-law and husband.
Petitioner is the at the instance of the husband of the petitioner, the present FIR has been treated with following allegation. Following allegation. The State Council has produced the injury report, sustained by Romita Chatta. Romita, who is Romita Chatta?
Romita is sister-in-law of the
complainant, madam.
Complainant.
Sister of the complainant.
Sister of the complainant.
Sister-in-law of the accused.
Yes.
Sister-in-law of the accused. It appears that the injuries are simple in nature.
Sister of the complainant.
Sister-in-law of the
sister-in-law of the accused. Sister-in-law. A perusal of the allegation appears to be arising out of matrimonial discord. Regarding it to the nature of allegation and the injury sustained by the injured, granted, yes. No criminal antecedent?
No, my lord.
Okay. Yes.
Item 31.
Please, my lord. My lord, here there is an allegation of under section 66C and 66D cyber fraud, whereas there is no substantial material, nothing is there, and also another co-accused has already been granted by this honorable court. Sir.
What is happened?
Anil Kumar Mandal.
Anil Kumar Mandal.
No, Anil Kumar Mandal here not a accused.
Another
Here,
case, same, same.
Which paper you told me some,
It is, see,
why are you?
sir.
You, in this paper, easy co-accused.
No.
Then,
Sorry, sir.
then,
Sir.
how in, the fact maybe.
Sir, the only allegation, similarly, mule,
Call for CD list on 13th.
interim protection, sir.
No. I would have given, but for the misleading statement, I am not giving. Never do that.
Please.
32, 13.
Please, your lordship, madam. Your my lord, 288 BNSS, 3, 4, 5 of the exclusive substance act.
Sorry?
288 BNSS, 3, 4, 5 of the exclusive substance act, my lord. Informant is the police personnel, my lord. Informant is the police personnel. Police is the informant, my lord. He got a reliable information that this petitioner was carrying some explosive substance.
My lord,
Pad or
has 7 criminal incident and section 3 is like.
surrender, your lordship, first or second.
The outset, petitioner is accused, so-and-so, at the outset, Mr. Naik pointed out that the petitioner's petition, how many petitioners?
Good day,
Petitioner has, nine.
Seven.
In view of the number of criminal antecedents against the petitioner, I am not inclined to grant the antecedent today. However, it is open for the petitioner to surrender, and the same day will be 11. Yes. 53. Today there is a.
My lord.
Today there is a judgment of Supreme Court, yesterday rather. It says that if there is antecedent, no question of giving anticipatory bail. Let's take it up. Arising out of the Allahabad High Court. My lord. So antecedent is there, you must disclose. So no anticipatory bail in antecedent. If one antecedent is also there, he has to go to and surrender. That's the, yes.
Lordship, SC and ST Act.
Here, my lord, there is no apprehension of arrest. Police, no apprehension of arrest. Police submitted final form. My lord, police submitted final form. Protest filed. No cognizance taken. How the apprehension?
Cognizance has already taken.
They have
Cognizance has
cognizance 482. How?
Anyway, Pramod Rai.
Yes.
If cognizance is taken.
My lord, if
The
cognizance.
petitioner, although was arraigned as an accused in the FIR, but petitioners, but after investigation, a final form was filed. The informant appears to have filed a protest petition, and in the protest petition, cognizance has been taken. Therefore, the petitioner is aggrieved by the. Therefore, the petitioner is apprehending arrest. In view of the aforementioned. The case, the petitioner's case is covered by the judgment of this court, Pramod Rai and so. Pramod Rai, yes.
34.
Second also same.
Second also.
Second?
With matter.
With matter.
Both the matter. 34, yes.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes, sir.
Petitioner is a juvenile and there is a love relation with the deceased.
Victim committed suicide. 376. Nude photo viral. Victim committed suicide.
What happened in this, Your Lordship? Kindly see page 9. There is no allegation against me. Allegation against the Ramesh Gardia, Abuj Khosla and Hemant Bhatra. They take my joint photograph and they blackmail in their own village. I am from different village. There is no allegation against me. My allegation is that I have a love relation with the deceased. And these three persons.
You are the main guy then.
No, my lord. I kindly see the affair, my lord. This is a mention. No allegation against me. Page 9, Lordship, kindly see. Allegation against the Ramesh Gardia, Abuj Khosla and Hemant Bhatra.
Allegation against all.
No, your Lordship, kindly see. There is no allegation against me.
ଭଉଣୀ ଅରୁଣ ଜୋସ୍ନା the accused, the present petitioner ସହିତ ପ୍ରେମ ସମ୍ପର୍କ ଥିଲା, ତେଣୁ ଅରୁଣ ଖୋଲା ଉଭୟଙ୍କର ଅନ୍ତରଙ୍ଗ ମୁହୂର୍ତ୍ତର ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିଗତ ଫଟୋ present petitioner shared that nude photo to
others have violated.
Yes. He is the man.
And there is no
other people have come to approach this court and this court has not entertained, asked them to surrender.
But there is allegation. That is allegation against them.
Whatever.
In the nude photo case, my submission. There is no photo. Kindly appreciate. You have a juvenile. I am in a different place. I am an ITI student. This photo Lordship, kindly see. I am a juvenile. If the nude photograph is there, Your Lordship may impose heavy question me, Your Lordship refer my submission. My joint photograph taken by them, they spread it.
The petition spread.
If that is so,
FIR, give me the FIR.
Against me, my lord.
Page 9 FIR.
Page 9.
I have done so.
There is no, the problem I'll tell you.
My lord.
The problem is, the idea of keeping the FIR in seal cover is not to disclose the name of the girl or the photograph and everything. Very interestingly, the cover of the envelope is given to us as a code. But the inside, whatever is there, you get it. What is the idea then? And it is available in the AG's office. Everybody knows that. But the code doesn't have
that. I'm filing seal cover. You are saying open and read it.
No. How can I, in the e-file, how can I do?
System is generated. It's created a problem for anybody, everybody. For the learned friend and to us also.
Everybody will know. Except the court.
Very difficult to adjudicate the case. Very difficult. There is no allegation against me, my lord. If allegation against me, there is no case.
Seal cover is there. And in the scanning, only the front cover page is scanned.
The system can be abolished, my lord. How can the court will appreciate the case when the court has not read the contents of the affair? Can it be possible to decide the case?
That's the problem. No, see, the allegation is against you. Tarun Khosla, you are Tarun Khosla.
No, Arun Khosla.
Arun Khosla.
Arun Khosla se ta affair la mu fact red color.
Kindly see the entire affair, my lord.
Yes, that's what my lord. Arun Khosla Uvenkara Antaranga Murta. Vyaktigato photo. Kadigri? There is no nude photo, but it is the
yes,
intimate photograph.
I have the love
photograph and given to your friends. Friends have circulated it.
Yes. Yes. I don't by the threat of the friends, she committed suicide, not for me. No, this is not the my lord.
But I can't treat you better than the other three accused.
Sir. I am a juvenile, my lord. I have reliable relation. I am an ITC student. I am give the admit card.
Therefore, you will be.
Let the CDP call for my lord.
So is also there. The notice has to go. Notice has to go.
Let the CDP call for my lord. I have no case at all. No allegation against me.
Okay.
Only in that.
Through to the informant of the complainant. Release the matter on 12th. 11th.
12th, I'll take a late was.
See, then I can't give you interim protection because POCSO is there. And is there a threat of arrest? But I tell you,
victim committed suicide. Impact of the society.
And the Ramesh Gadia attempt to commit rape. That is the reason the bail application of the rejected.
Ramesh
who person who committed the attempt to commit rape, he is in principal accused, my lord, not myself.
For that reason, she has not committed suicide. Thereafter, the one.
Anyway, but if you want, I can dispose it up, giving parity to these all the three people.
No, parity. How can parity? It's rejected.
No, not rejected. The court has asked that, so go and surrender, and same day it will be decided.
That is in the principal court, but I am in juvenile court. The record will transfer from principal court to juvenile court, and he will consider my bail application on 12th of the Juvenile Justice Act.
Call for CD, please the matter on 12th. Okay.
My lord?
12th.
Till then, my lord.
And sir,
my lord.
Yes, next.
Till then, my lord.
No.
Juvenile, my lord. That is the reason.
It can't be because POCSO is there.
Let the notice to go.
I can't give any relief.
No, let the notice to go. So till then I will protect. No possible action.
Then what is the use? How can I give?
17 वर्ष 8 मास
17 8 मास juvenile.
Anyway,
against council 17 वर्ष 8 मास not a juvenile.
That's the reason 12th I have given. Yes, next. Next.
35.
May I plead? Offence around 296, 117, 109.
What are the allegations?
Fact of the case is the petitioner and the informant parties are neighbors. There is land dispute between the both parties. The petitioner, the informant parties.
Head injury simple in nature.
What? Head injury?
Head injury simple in nature.
Antecedent?
No accident.
No accident.
Where have you said that?
I'm not stated, but there is no accident.
Where have you said?
CD obtained no incident.
No incident. Okay. Petitioner is accused of allegation against the petitioner also. The injury report, there is the injury report. It indicates that the injury sustained by injury. Who has sustained injury? Name sustained by.
His name is my lord.
Are simple in nature.
Rajkishore Sabu.
Rajkishore
Sabu.
Rajkishore Sabu. Simple in nature. The CD also disclosed that the petitioner is not involved in any other case regarding it to so granted. Yes.
36.
May I please? My lord, here is the offense under section 115(2), 117(2), and 296 and 351. Corresponding offense is 323, 325, 290.
3 number criminal incident.
No, 3 number criminal incident. Total case which is 3. Why? The same informant has lost the affair 3 times.
No.
Dispute.
I am instruction man. I have received the case diary. The present petitioner first asserted the informant for which Tangi PS case number 150 of 2026 registered.
Anyway, 3 cases are there in.
Apart from the present
case, no anticipatory bail. Whatever may have happened. Yesterday's judgment you might have seen.
I have gone through the same transaction.
Same day.
Crop or
same day it will be collected.
Say truck rukhe petrol pump kare.
Petitioner is from so allegation is the petitioner from Mr. Naik, Lieutenant Counsel for the state. At the outset, has pointed out that petitioner is involved in 3 more cases.
EPS case number.
In view of the criminal antecedents of the petitioner, I'm not entertaining the present application for anticipatory bail, but it is open for the petitioner to surrender before the court below and move for regular bail. If such application is moved, the same shall be considered by courts below on the same day.
Madam.
Yes.
37.
May I speak, Your Lordship? Offense under section 3A Act.
Only CC. Pramod Rai.
38.
May I please, May I please, Lordship? Lordship, here the offense is 109, Lordship.
Yes, sir.
Lordship, here the offense is 109, and the person for whom I am moving application, they both are ladies. All the accused persons are already enlarged on bail by the order of this honorable court in ABLPL, which I have annexed in annexure, Lordship 3.
Yes, all the accused persons have been
lower court to judge be surrendered.
No.
Anticipatory bail is granted to other co-accused persons. That's what he said. Just see.
Yes, madam.
All of them have been
Yes.
Parent counsel for the petitioner has pointed out that by order dated 26/2/2026, the coordinate bench of this court have granted anticipatory bail to co-accused persons in Blackberry in Civil also from Nalik Road. He seeks parity with the aforementioned co-accused persons and seeking for anticipatory bail. Since it is the fact of the case regarding head to the aforementioned the petitioner is entitled to parity and no criminal antecedents.
No, absolutely no, Lordship.
Petitioner, counsel for the petitioner submits that there is no criminal antecedent. Okay, granted. Yes.
39.
Bank property, we have mortgaged a property in bank and obtained loan that has been due to non-payment of the loan. Due to non-payment of the loan, recovery proceeding has been initiated, and surfacing in as per the surface check, there is a case initiated against me.
Hmm.
But recovery proceeding also initiated against me. In the
Bank has filed the case against you.
bank, the file application that during pendency of the case, I have sold the land. Dispute is, my lord, my 10 lakhs fixed deposit has been diluted. But
my lord,
wait a minute. Petition number 1 is a lady government employee and petition number 2 is a retired government employee.
the property was mortgaged in the year 2010. There is non-payment of the loan due, recovery proceeding going on, separate fact. The petitioner,
recovery proceeding is pending.
Yes, that is
pending.
But the property which was mortgaged, that property was sold to some other person. Setu original ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଏଠି ବି କେମିତି କଣ କରିକି ଦେଇଦେଇ
That apart, I have filed application for OTS scheme and
that apart, if it is mortgage, is collateral, how have you sold it to someone? How you managed to do it? Because the original paper must be there with bank.
Yes.
How have you done it?
That is also allegation.
That is the crime. That is the whole
violent.
How have you done it? That's the very important thing.
Out of that, my lord, I have given application which unfortunately I have not made it annexure. I have given application for OTS scheme and for that reason I have paid 1 lakh rupees.
Whether the person who has purchased the property, he has not initiated any case against you. You have cheated him also.
No, my lord.
Not only you have cheated him also.
Yes, bank has
also lost the affair against them.
Bank obviously will do it. What about the other guy? Who has purchased?
Both sufferer. Both.
Whether have you sold it to your own people?
Beg pardon?
You sold the property to whom?
Archana Jena, Sunanda Mahanti.
Must be relative or someone else. Must be relative.
This is the
Must be relative. To save from attachment and all.
This is the application for OTS and this is the.
That's a different story, sir.
No, this is true, not story, man. This is true. My OTS application has not yet.
You tell me how have you sold it? Without original paper.
But the lordship, I can't.
That's the crime. That's the crime. You what you have done is, since DRT proceeding is going on, you don't want to pay. You know that there will be default and your property will go. So therefore, you sold it to your own relative by managing somehow.
No,
that is the reason bank has initiated, rightly initiated.
All the offences are, my lord, tribal by magistrate first class, but the petition number 1 is a lady, government employee, my lord. That's it.
And it was who in whose name?
Ladies, my lord.
The property was in whose name?
Both names, my
lord. One or two? Joint
property, my lord.
Joint property.
Dita property.
I'm ready.
Property.
I'm just contemplating whether we can.
My lord, I'm ready to pay.
One, because she is a government employee, she will lose the job and all, unnecessary.
My lord, I am ready to pay, my lord. The amount which has been, if my OTS application will be accepted, any moment I am ready to pay, my lord. I don't dispute that. That's why
payment करते क्या सब compromise करी request कर देवे.
I said lordship police गोड़ोचु बोली lordship को पकवा आसु ना वो.
चलो I'll protect him with a recording submission.
Yes, my lord.
Go for OTS and settle him. Otherwise, this lady will lose the job.
My lord.
Property goes and
protection देगी सही condition में.
Back को आप दबू बोली तो आप देगी क्या?
Petitioners are accused. At the next program, allegation against the petitioner. At the instance of the bank, the present complaint, the FIR has been registered. It is alleged that the have mortgaged the property in subject and obtained loan. Due to default in the loan, a proceeding before DRT has been initiated by the bank. When the proceeding is bank under the Surface Act, when the proceeding before DRT is going on, at that point in time, the petitioner realized to have sold the mortgage collateral security property to a third party. Therefore, the FIR has been registered. Land Counsel for the petitioner, next program, the petitioner fairly submits that the petitioners are making their full endeavor to settle the issue to the bank by making good the entire payment for the loan, payment of the loan amount. And to that extent, the petitioners have also submitted an OTS.
OTS
proposal, OTS proposal, which appears to have been in the process of consideration. He further submits that the petitioner number 1 is working as
government employee.
He is a government employee, and petitioner number 2,
Retired government.
petitioner number 1, who is a lady, a 56 years old lady, is a government employee, and the petitioner number 2, who is the husband of petitioner number 1, is a retired government employee. Government employee. Regarding being head to their position, the Land Council for the petitioner submits that let them be protected by the order of this court, so that they will not be taken into custody. And at the same time, the petitioners would make all endeavor to see that the loan amount availed by them is paid back to the bank. Regarding it to the submission made by the Land Council for the petitioner and the nature of allegation, I'm inclined to grant the petitioner's anticipated bail subject to verification of criminal decision. Correct. Yes. I have recorded that. I have recorded that.
Disposal.
Disposal. Recorded that.
Time କେତେ ଦିନ ଭିତରେ ସେ କରିବେ ସେଇଟା? Indefinite ହେଇଯିବ.
OTS, we don't know OTS proposal they have given. The OTS will be accepted or not. It's a conditional, and it is expected that it is expected that the petitioners shall take all steps to liquidate their liability to the bank within a period of 6 months. Within a period of 6 months.
1 year, let's
6 months.
OTS, because my OTS application.
No, then you will show it to the bank, say that the High Court has asked you to go for it.
Telling which bank would liberty दिया जाए तो
once granted anticipated bail, it is always
no cancellation bank move
it is open for the prosecution to move appropriate application if the bail conditions are violated. Yes.
Item 40.
Under the pressure, at least you will give it back and finish it up. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Item 40.
None appears in the interest of justice urgent to after
vacation. Passover or
after vacation, nobody there. Yes. 14. I'll just come 5 minutes.
वर्ष समान
40?
41.
Yes, 41.
My pleasure, Lordship.
Yes.
Dear my lord, that's because I have done a video, my lord, regarding illegal transportation of animal, my lord. Now the complainant has got the affair by insist of the police, my lord. Now the offense is lost, my lord. I have not committed any offense except the video, my lord.
What are the allegations?
Allegation, your lordship. 196(1).
No. Tell me the fact.
Allegation, my lord. Allegation, my lord, that the present petitioner has done a offensive video, my lord, which is circulated among this group, my lord.
Yes.
Regarding.
Yes, madam.
Should the of kind of the nature of evidence. They try to instigate two religious group to fight among. The communal fight by instigate court organized crime. These are the allegations. I'll just read out the FIR. Relevant portion. 4 times from the top. That the above named accused recently released and circulated an offensive and highly provocative video on social media platforms, which come to my notice and widely being shared in the public, that in the said video, the accused has made serious, alarming and life-threatening statement against the Honorable MLA Baleswar, the representative of the Honorable MP Baleswar, that the accused has explicitly threatened that he would eliminate them by making it appear on road accident involving the truck by engaging unknown persons, which clearly reflects the premeditated
Stage of investigation.
The CD has to come.
Call for CD. Meanwhile, don't arrest.
CD and CAU.
Meanwhile, no course of action. These are, it appears to be politically motivated things.
Maybe a little bit communal, instigating communal fight.
Politically motivated things. Huh? Let it come on 21st, 20th. No course of action in the meantime. Yes, let's tell us. 42.
Offences are under SC/ST Act, maybe in Pramod Roy.
Only SC/ST?
No, other offences are there, but the SC/ST Act is also there. Other offences are 294, 323, 506, 354. FIR is of 2024.
Then the Pramod Kumar?
Pramod
Kumar.
Hello, pleasure.
43.
Well, here in this case, the principal offense is 307 IPC. It is a case of 2023. Except 307, other offenses are triable by magistrate.
What are the injuries?
Injuries, the question doesn't arise. Your lordship may see page 21, the complaint petitions.
21, huh?
21.
Yes.
Para 12. Apart from other allegations that throttle the neck of informant with an ulterior intention.
307 main allegation. Main allegation hoche 468, 471, 409.
There are business transactions. Amount was pending against the present accused.
The second
a civil suit was filed. I have annexed the plaintiff of the civil suit.
There are suits are 138 proceeding are pending.
138 is not initiated.
The allegation is that they took away 43 lakhs of loan by forging the signature and utilizing his account, first of all. And secondly, he got some land, landed property in his name too.
The suit has been dismissed. I have annexed the copy.
Who is Minati Sahu?
Minati Sahu is a wife of informant.
Wife of informant.
Informant.
She has filed the suit.
She has filed the suit.
How many criminal antecedents are there?
No antecedent I have mentioned.
But moreover, madam, just see the FIR is up to 2023.
23.
You have not arrested. So what is the question of arresting now at this stage?
Probably why he
If
has
it is
stopped.
required, you would have done it by now.
I'm sure. I'm conscious.
So
of that.
therefore, anticipatory bail is entitled.
Right.
Right. Petitioner is accused and failed to release the petition also.
Let them cooperate with the investigation if at all the investigation is pending.
Yes.
Right.
Inter se party, there are other civil and quasi-criminal proceedings are pending. In conflict with the petitioner taking this court to the annexure 4 of to the petition has submitted that the wife of the complainant has also filed a civil suit being CS number 1182 up to 23. What happened with the suit?
It was dismissed in 2025 for non-prosecution and till date it is not restored.
It was dismissed on 14/5/2025 for non-prosecution. The dispute is arising out of the business transaction, certain business transaction. Next, since the FIR has been registered on 5/7/2023, and then no course action, the police has not taken any action against the petitioner for the purpose of any custodial interrogation, etc. The petitioner is entitled to a grant of anticipated bail after registration also, subject with the cooperation with the litigation. Yes. Yes. Next.
44.
Earlier application was withdrawn, my lord. Now, my lord, in view of the change of situation, that investigation must have progressed to larger extent. The second application is filed. And acquisitions are 85 BNS equal to 498A, 352 BNS equal to 5054 of IPC, 318 subclause 4 of BNS equal to 420 of IPC, 356 2 of BNS equal to 50.
Who are you? You are the wife.
My lord,
Husband.
husband. My lord, petition is the husband. Allegations, my lord.
The informant.
Not the husband, my lord, and not the informant from victim, my lord. On the allegation of, on the test of marrying her, she has kept physical relation and now viral the videos, my lord. Therefore, that petition was withdrawn earlier, and
They have a child together. Thereafter, they met again. And he
Has happened 12 years back as a relationship was established. As per
No,
the
no,
allegation.
all these things are all right. Have you viral or not?
Yes, yes,
That's
my
very
lord.
important.
My lord,
That is
my lord,
give me any material that is viral.
My lord, I beg to reply in one line that police had issued a letter to the victim. Victim had produced the letter, produced the photograph.
So I'm producing some photographs.
Victim had produced the photograph.
Producing some of the photographs and
The allegations are viral, the naked photograph and.
Police wrote a letter to the victim. Victim produced the photograph. That is my instruction.
That's the reason. See, viral is very important. You surrender.
First or second or corruption.
Surrender. Petitioner earlier approached this court by filing ABPL number
1237425.
12347.
374.
12374 of 2025. And however, the claim was withdrawn. Withdrawn on 7/11/2025. This is the second time the petitioner has approached this court by filing the present application. The allegation of the petitioner is from Mr. Mishra and Soulakmi, appearing for the complainant, and the state have vehemently opposed the prayer. And Soulakmi has shown certain photograph which have been taken by the petitioner and circulated viral, circulated in the public, circulating public regarding to the nature of allegation and the fact that the earlier bail application, earlier anticipated bail application withdrawn by the petitioner. There being no substantial change of circumstances, I am not inclined to grant the petitioner anticipated bail. However, it is open for the petitioner to surrender and the bail application same day. Same day. Yes, next.
45. Since it is sensitive case, I am appealing back to filing the Okradam in the envelope. My name is written.
Yeah, I have written here.
Yes, obliged.
21, what's the thought? 21 MMDR Act, Metro Electing Fellow. 21 MMDR Act.
40?
21 MMDR Act.
45.
illegal transportation of sand.
Fictional owner of the vehicle. Allegation was 10 ton iron ore mallet seized from his vehicle. He was not present.
Who are you?
Owner mallet. No, higher agreement basis mallet, I purchased that vehicle.
Antecedent, sorry, antecedents?
No antecedent.
Where have you said that?
So that is not mentioned, lots of mallet, that if mallet that is any antecedent, no antecedent mallet.
File an affidavit Monday. File an affidavit. I'll take it on Monday. Yes.
46.
Evidence to file Monday.
Lordship, and dispose of subject to verification of antecedent at the time
No,
of.
because they say there is a judgment of the Supreme Court.
Yes.
Saying that antecedents are there, but there is no statement made in the petition.
Yes, sir.
I'll record it tomorrow. I will say that the instruction was like that.
Yes, sir.
So therefore, I want to bring it on record.
Yes, sir.
On by either by the affidavit or by the averment in the petition that there is no, or you make a statement, then I'll see.
As per CT, there is no antecedent, but
I record it as per CD. There is
as per the CT, there is no antecedent.
well, it's all right. All right. Then petition will get used for the allegation in the petition form. The equivalent consultation for the state submits that as per the CD, there is no criminality that is the petitioner. Even the petitioner is also submitting in the same line. In the same line. Regarding that to relation subject to revision granted. Yes. Next.
46.
11 kilo of ganja melon.
Yes, sir. 11.
Melon. Basing upon the co-accused statement, present petitioner was.
Antecedent?
And no antecedent. I have written melon.
Where?
Paragraph
Which para?
6 melon.
Paragraph 6. Allegation is also. Mr. Tripathi letter call for the petitioner submits that in paragraph 6 of the petition, a specific development has been made that the petitioner is not involved in any case except the present one. The recovery is 11 kilo, custody, 11 kilo, granted, yes. Below commercial quantity.
47.
47 109.
That he further submits that the petitioner has been arraigned as an accused on the basis of the disclosure statement of the principal accused. Yes.
109 along with 117.
47. Yes.
Assault
The
on
other
head
allied
by a
offences,
hammer.
Sorry?
Assault on the head by a hammer. Iron.
By my brother-in-law, by my brother. The FIR case is that the petitioner.
And the
Injury report, no. I'm not received any.
call for it 12th. Call for injury report and 12th. Okay. Next.
I pray for interim.
12th.
He is not assaulted.
No. 12th, let us see. Head injury and hammer.
By hammer.
There is no 326 now.
307.
Okay,
is there.
307 is 26. Yes.
48.
48.
Assault on head by sword.
He himself filed the FIR mallet. The same day he filed the FIR mallet. The case and transfer.
Injury, just show me the injury.
That is a FIR lodged by the injured mallet. The same day. So last lekiji, mate mu cheta sunne bole, tapare semana सब डेंगा पड़ेले, that is allegation. And case and counter case.
ତଳେ ପଡିଥିବା
My wife also
ପତ୍ର
lodged against the petition and his family members. That is annexed to my lord.
ରେ ମୋ ମୁଣ୍ଡକୁ ହାଣିଦେଲେ.
Se nije FIR ଦେଇଛି. Same day.
So therefore, I have to infer that injuries are simple.
Mallet, that's.
Fortunate enough, it's not 302.
Get it on 12th, huh? Same. As of earlier. 12th, huh? 12th.
Interpretation.
12th, no. 12th. Injury report and antecedents. Yes.
Let's see.
Antecedents also. Yes, next.
49.
I'm giving you 2 days, 3 days. That is the reason I'm giving. I don't want to give any.
It's also latest same day mallet. That's why I'm.
We'll see.
Protection may be given by case and
Yes.
counter case.
Yes, next.
49.
12th I'll give you. Don't worry. Let it come. Yes.
With the ancient one.
You yes.
SCST approval.
Terms of Pramod Rai.
Promote, huh? Promote.
Obligation.
50.
So, all the offences are available in nature. But if they are arrested on
But see,
16.
let me. Para 20 promote
Yes.
is now no more a good law in two sense.
In terms of the Supreme Court.
Because of,
Yes. You have to evaluate whether there is a prima
That's
facie
the
material or.
problem, but we are following, but it's no more a good law.
Yes. I'm conscious.
That's the only thing. But we are following, otherwise we can't dispose of so many cases pertaining to SCST. That is the reason I am relying
It's a
on.
consistent law that the prima facie material has to be evaluated before.
That's still difficult. Somebody has to challenge that order. But the stance today, insofar as SCST is concerned, there is no.
Lenience.
That's the reason. We'll see. Yes.
Corresponding offense 294-506 is available in nature. For FIR arrested on 16/1/2025, but till today they have not issued 41 notice, my lord. And for which the petitioner appealed arrest, my lord.
Granted, okay. Granted, huh? Allegation was integrated. Okay.
51.
Yes.
Allegation illegal lifting of stones from the hill.
Sorry?
Illegal lifting of stone from the hill also in a tractor.
Same. 10 mine.
Stone.
Antecedent?
One antecedent there, it is of the year 2017.
Whatever.
It is PDPP Act.
Whatever. If there is any antecedent, no antecedent will be. That's what the court now says. What can I do?
Hesitation only.
Okay, you file a affidavit to that effect. Huh? He is on bail and what kind of nature of offense, so that I can distinguish judgment. Okay. Shall I put it on 13? 13. Okay. Meanwhile, comprehensive affidavit disclosing the number of criminal incidents and the status of those cases. And you are on bail, what is the nature of case and everything. So that I will distinguish that. 13. Yes.
52.
Yes.
On behalf of the petitioner, that the petitioner is a proprietor of Abhipsa Associate, which is a recovery agency. And the informant is a customer and the borrower of Tata Capital Financial Services Limited. On 24th, 3rd, 26, 11 at
Vehicle loan was taken and you have taken the loan.
Yes.
There are snatching and 341
All those are falsely implicated.
Not falsely implicated, madam. These are this is going to these things are happening, and Supreme Court has taken a serious view of this. Loan is given for the purpose of vehicle, and if the loan is not returned, you take the vehicle from the parking space.
It is to defaulters of payment.
Defaulter doesn't mean that you pick up the vehicles. That's the whole difficulty.
No criminal antecedent of.
Where have you said that? Where have you said? Have you said anywhere? No criminal antecedent, because there must be some other cases.
No, my.
Have you said anywhere?
There is no criminal antecedent.
He was working as what?
Proprietor of Abhipsa Associate.
The recovery agents.
Mm.
The recovery agents. File affidavit. 13. File a
My lord,
comprehensive affidavit disclosing any criminal antecedent is there or not?
My lord, there is other employers are also related with that. Which is throughout the year number 4293/26. Others are also there with it.
No, that matter is listed today.
Yes.
Where item number?
52 related with that. Other employers are also there.
Okay. That is all employees. You file affidavit on behalf of all of them regarding the antecedent and all. I'll take on 12th. 12th. Okay. File it.
Thank you.
53.
And 109 is also there.
Yes, 307 is there. And meantime, my lord, one of the coerced person has been arrested and released from the London trial court within 3 days.
Same day I'll do that. Huh? Who was
Common trial, same day.
Who was it?
My lord, one Pramod Kumar Mahanti.
On Pramod Kumar Mahanti, yeah?
Yes, madam.
With the co-accused along with the present petitioner have been arrested, and he has been enlarged on regular bail by the London trial court. Therefore, the petitioner seeks parity with this matter. Regarding to the nature of the allegation and so I have not inclined to however is open for the petitioner on the same day. Same day.
My lord,
Both days there. With parity.
3 SCST is there. Therefore, my lord, Pramod.
Needless to say that since as regarding the offences under section under APXCF, the petitioner can rely upon the judgment of the Pramod system.
Both the bail application.
Both the
54.
Lord, on the behalf of the petitioner, that incident occurred on 20th of April in 25th to Durga Mandap, theft occurred. 12 pairs of kartal, 1 head of golden tikli, and 2 eyes of.
Antecedents?
Incident.
Where have you said that? Same problem. If I all the matter will be taken up on 12th. The other matters I also am taking up on 12th. In this matter also file affidavit saying that there is no criminal antecedent and all. Okay. Yes. 12.
55.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Offense under 109(1), attempt to murder. The allegation is that the PI was asked to give the protection money, chanda. So this the injured here tried to intervene, and in the meantime,
Show me the injury.
Injury, my lord, the allegation is against one Likku.
You have used what?
ଲୁହା ରଡ୍ ତାକୁ ଜୀବନ ମାରିଥିବା ଉଦ୍ଦେଶ୍ୟରେ ରଖି ତା ମୁଣ୍ଡକୁ
head injury. So do you have the injury?
Injury report, but in the FR say that is the.
And the connected bail application injury report was called for because that was the prior bail.
When that matter is listed?
That matter, my lord, the date is gone. On which date it was directed to be listed, it was not listed. So since it is one FR, both the matters are come connected.
Now it is both. There are two matters.
That one.
In the other matter, it was called for.
Other matter, there was interim protection was granted, and CD and injury report was.
Where is that?
That is Lilu at Subendu Malde.
Is an interim order. Same order.
Interim protection there.
Interim protection. Same order. In the connected matters order interim order. Same order. Okay. Please the matter on 19th. Both the matters. Bring the CD in both the cases. Okay. Both the cases. Sub item interim sub item yes. Yes.
56.
Here the petitioner and the informants are known to each other. Allegation of 309, which is equivalent to 390, robbery. Three persons came in a motorcycle. Allegation is and 26 hours after FIR is registered, allegation is 2150 rupees are taken.
TI period, you will see whether TI period is there or not. Call for CD, leave the matter on 13th.
And interim protection. You are also can incident.
Except FIR, there is nothing. How can I give you without knowing?
No criminal incident.
Let us see. 13th I am giving. On 13th. 13th I am giving. Make sure that listen, if you don't bring CD in the first day, I will have to give interim protection. That's the reason I am giving short dates. On 13th, if you don't give, I will have to give protection. Because if it is longer date, then obviously
they are not arrested. PI period.
Let us see what material. You can avoid for another 2-3 years. Don't worry. Without interim order also, you are successfully you can avoid.
ଆଜି ଆସୁଛି ଏପଟେ ନହେଲେ ତ ଆସିବାର ସମ୍ଭାବନା ବି ନଥିଲା ଯୋଉ ରେଟରେ ଚାଲିଥିଲା।
Yes.
57.
3 SCST.
Only 3 SCST or 109? 307 is also there, sir. 109.
ମୋ ଭାଇର ମୁଣ୍ଡକୁ ହାଣିଲେ ଏବଂ ରକ୍ତ
In the meantime, other 2 co-accused persons are granted bail by
anticipated bail, regular bail. Give the names. Names of the co-accused person. Allegation suffice that 2 accused persons those who have been arrested has already been enlarged on a regular bail, and he seeks parity. He'll surrender same day, and since
Sushant Panda and Prashant Panda.
That's offenses under section under ACST Act is there. Needless to say that petitioner is covered by the judgment of Pramod Kumar. Yes, same day.
Great.
Yes, next.
58.
Notice to SCST is there. So that
No, Pramod Kumar will comply.
Yes,
Next.
Great.
Surrender and comply, Pramod Kumar and yes.
Lordship, in this case, I am appearing on behalf of the informant, Lordship.
Yes.
My lord, in item number 15.
15. 58, yes.
In this case, except the matters are tribal master class. My submission before this whole court.
What are the allegations, sir?
Allegation that the agent petitioners are executive one salary.
That taken the 27 lakhs 50,000.
My lord.
With condition that we are selling,
Status of the
giving the land, but
online
that is
RR.
not in the name of
And
that.
taken money from the land is not given. What
And
is
they are executed the sale date, but that land, whatever the sale judgment, that is not named in the.
I got all the documents with me. I'm kindly perusal of this one.
What are you showing?
So today's status of the present plot.
As it stand in your name.
My lord. Bhai, it is
Pradeep Kumar Behra.
The name of the informant, the land already converted and registered. And one RR is obtained. And now this land. See,
what do you say?
लॉर्डशिप जो लेन था सेमाने आमको बिक्की चंती जो खाता नंबर है कोई की सेटा है फ्रॉड जोटा हमें जाए कि वेरीफाई करने परे ब्रीड वाला भी मना कर चंती तो they have fabricated the खाता number and subsequently when this matter is taken to the police station several times they have assured that they have returned the money of 27 lakh 5.
Some document is showing that it is already entered in your name.
Lordship?
What is your name? You are Sujata Maji.
Sujata Maji.
It is entered in your name.
Lordship?
He is showing this document, land
Yes.
record from the web portal, you know, Bhulekal web portal, where your name is already entered.
जो नाम टा हमरो देखो जे बट से प्लॉट टा सेमाने हमको बिकी ना हंदी
These are demarcation issues and all.
आउ गोटे प्लॉट देखे कि ए प्लॉट टा सब्सिक्वेंटली हमको बिकी चंदी जो प्लॉट टा गोटे रास्ता जो प्लॉट टा गोटे रास्ता लॉर्डशिप एटलीस्ट documentation
Where have you said that you don't have a criminal entity?
as per the
Instruction, I don't go by instruction.
Reflection and
let him file affidavit. This is the matter on 14th. No, you file affidavit that you don't have criminal entity. You might have cheated many people like this. Otherwise, you are entitled. I'll grant you, but subject to filing. Next. 14th.
59. My Pokso.
elopement case madam.
Issue notice.
Madam.
Pokso. Issue notice.
Only to informant madam.
Informant. Through IO. 14. Yes.
60.
10 line along with other offense, my lord. Present petitioner doesn't name in the FIR, my lord. Because the FIR name accused persons are
Tirlochhan Pradhan, Narendra Kumar.
two application is noting, my lord, two bail application notice, my lord, that
The other co-accused persons have.
yes, my lord. Those who named in the FIR, my lord. Kindly page 9, page 9, my lord.
Sachin and
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ilochan, Narendra and B. Narendra has just 6 criminal antecedents.
Okay.
Narendra.
Narendra and Ilochan, there are 2 brothers.
Yes, Narendra 6 and Trilochan.
Ilochan, so far the report inside there is
Nursing. Criminal antecedent.
There is no instruction, my lord.
You have not made mention also.
The Narendra is the main accused.
Petitioner fairly submits that he doesn't have any instruction regarding the criminal antecedents of the petitioners. And it is pointed out by the State Council that the co-accused persons, Shubham Pradhan and others, as well as the Sachin Kumar Pradhan, have approached this court by filing ABPL number so and so, which has been turned down by the court below, turned down by this court granting liberty to the petitioners to surrender and open avail the regular availability. I'll just give first or second hour.
First or second or parity.
Parity. And it is open for the petitioner to raise all the point. Yes. Yes, regular bill now. Yes.
61.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes, sir.
I am in custody since 18th February 2026, my lord. The present petition is employed with the present parliaments. And the allegation, my lord, the misapplication of 84 lakhs, my lord. Similar page 33, my lord.
33.
That will be in the, just the second paragraph.
Okay, 1 minute.
The bill investigation, it is came to have the.
Where are you reading? Where is the record?
33.
33 only.
33, second paragraph, Your Lordship. That is some order passed.
Second paragraph is on perusal of the record. It's found that.
That third line, my lords. The investigation came to light amount 36 lakhs 12,634 rupees. Receipt from Salazar Food and credited to the bank account of Suprasari Behr. Present account number so-and-so, that in the
Again, 22 lakhs.
Yes, that amount, my lord.
Count of
36 lakhs, my lord. That is the allegation, my lord. As an employee, in different accounts, my lord, as per the instruction of the bulk of documents, that is all the amounts I have paid, my lord, to the, as per instruction of the informant, my lord, to the different persons. And all the, my lord,
who is the informant? Who is the informant?
Well, as the informant has not come, I think. The informant is one of the
what is the informant? Let us see. What is the name of it?
Sanjay Kumar Agrawal. Yes, Sanjay Kumar. Yes, ma'am. And immediately,
Sanjay Kumar Agrawal
is one of the partnership formulas.
Which partnership form?
That's the partnership. Salazar Food. Yes, sir.
Salazar Food.
So, payment about the amount. I have said,
misappropriated amount you have disbursed to the people as per the instruction of the partnership form. And only one document.
Yes, yes. That is the bulk of document.
Bulk I didn't.
Yes. Affidavit, my lords. 54 lakhs. The allegations.
Instruction. You show me the instruction.
So, my lordship, the affidavit, my lords. Yes, I have prepared the other affidavit. The father of the present petition, my lord. Commission also, my lord.
Give it to me.
Yes, I am sorry. All the dates I have mentioned, my lord. All the dates. Whatever the date
you want to read,
plus the, let's see, kindly. Paragraph 3 amounts of years. I have stated, Miller, the payment schedule, 2025 minutes.
Read the averments. I am not investigating agency.
I'm seeing everything, sir. The lordship will see paragraph 4 minutes. Paragraph 4. That it is now permitted to place.
You read the catchwords,
for this reflection. Paragraph 4, and Miller it was explaining everything, explaining.
The explanation will be the problem with you. Show me one where on instruction of the company
yes,
amount.
Yes, Miller. Why paragraph 4?
Which paragraph?
It is noted here the present petition was working as an accountant in the office of the informant Salazar Food, and though he was employed the said firm as per the instruction of the informant, that's where the
where are the instructions?
Instruction, Miller, the
one instruction.
Yes, Miller, Lordship, is the bulk of document here.
One instruction show me. One of the instructions. Instruction in the form of what?
That is only one instruction, if your Please, that is all.
WhatsApp,
Lord. So after payment, Miller, have every document, every side, right? Lordship, kindly say.
What is it? Pavan Kothari.
Yes.
As discussed below, would be initially requirements. Where is that? Please transfer.
Yes.
The A4 number so.
Same to immediately transfer.
So to whom?
Miller, the payment लिखी की दिया तो मुझे कर दिया गया. मतलब पेमेंट इन बहुत जगह सब जगह रहेगा
अरे भाई, you just tell me who has given this WhatsApp to whom?
that is मतलब that informant मतलब the first मतलब the 9
Sanjay Agarwal.
yes yes
Sanjay Agarwal
yes मतलब
given to you.
yes
How will I get it?
मतलब the screenshot mobile ले जत्ती की थिला सब जगह मु print करी की आगे ready कर रखी छी जो
What do you say, ma'am?
So may kindly see page 24 and 25 of the brief. That's a part of the FIR.
24?
And 25.
Yes.
Page 24.
Yes.
I'll show the modus operandi of the present petitioner. He was working as the accountant of that firm. Paragraph 4 heads, the accountant wrongfully diverted funds to the following accounts. The name of account holder is...
No, but he says that this is on basis of
I'm just coming. The entire amount is 84,27,137. And page 25 will also kindly see. Paragraph 7 is apart. On verification of account value so and so, 6 number of suspicious account which belongs to the family members of the petitioner.
So you created and transferred.
Yes. And assuming that the entire thing is true, Your Lordship may kindly see the affidavit they have now produced. They say the grand total of 54,26,000.
Show it to your investigating officer and tell me the.
Absolutely.
You file it as the counsel for the petitioner. It's 2 days time to file an affidavit indicating that on the basis of the instruction received from the complainant form, the petitioner has disbursed the amount which has not been factored into the alleged fraudulent amount. Let him file the affidavit, and so let me a copy of the same has been given to Subhalakshmi, and she will verify the same from the investigating officer and submit a report. Release the matter on 15th.
But I'm sorry, my lord, because of bulk of record, I am unable to find the specific apps.
Yes.
Great.
62.
Let's say 15th.
Yes. Give the affidavit and copy.
Yes, I have already provided those.
Yes.
Initially, the affair lodge. Custody since my lord. Custody since 24/6/2020.
24/6.
Yes.
20. Okay. Yes.
Initially, FL lodge offense under section 307 34 of IPC, madam. Subsequently, after investigation,
madam. Yes.
It has been turned to 303 and 34 of IPC, my lord. There is no eyewitness to the occurrence, my lord. Out of circumstantial evidence and materials.
The final form has been submitted. And he is
Trial
the
has
person.
Trial has not yet.
Pardon?
Trial has not been started.
Trial has been started, your lordship.
I don't have that.
Out of 30, 26 has already been examined.
26 would be.
To
bring those evidences at least.
Not with me, madam.
Then the material which has come on record now.
But in asserted they have granted bail since 2020 and 21.
How will I know? Except FIR, you have not filed anything.
No, my lord.
Bring on those things on record. Petitioner seeks an adjournment to bring on record the evidence of the witnesses, those who have been already examined by the prosecution during the trial. These the important evidences, you place it on record and show that the accused who has been granted bail, he is the principal accused.
Yes, my lord. That is my lord, Sachin Bagh and Balabh Kwa, those who have asserted, they have my lord.
Further permits that Sachin Bagh and
Sachin Bagh and Balabh Kwa alias
Boglu, those who have assaulted the deceased have already been granted bail. He wants to demonstrate the same by bringing on record the evidence already recorded by the prosecution. Release the matter on 19th. Bring all the evidence and show me.
Okay.
I know. The petitioner is in custody since 24/6/2020. Yes.
63.
Yes.
Offense under 192. Allegation is only in nature against 7 persons. That all of them asserted
302.
109. Attempt to murder.
Grievous injury, the vital part of the body.
Custody since?
Custody since 2nd March 2026.
Yes.
Section 26, my lord, against 7 persons, allegation is against 7 persons. No specific allegation against any of them.
Alok is the main person. Huh? You have assaulted things. What about the other people? They have got the bail.
3 persons have come before this court for anticipatory bail. They have been granted interim protection and their antecedents and injury report as well as CD has been called for in that case. That case was directed to be listed on 2nd April, but that matter is not there under interim protection, madam.
Yes, madam.
Injuries are grievous in nature. And the injured statement is there who says the present petitioner was the first one to assault and he led the entire group. He was the main accused.
What are the antecedents?
Antecedent, there is no antecedent.
It has come on the course.
Pardon?
Have you got it?
Yes.
No antecedents.
There is no antecedent to that effect. I have instruction. The only problem is that the grievous injury and the statement of the injury is there.
Which part of the body? And what are the weapon used?
I'll just place the injured statement. Mornam Shurjagan Malik with the main injured election. There is a previous enmity regarding the Bhossani. गत किछ मास तले नुआ वर्ष में 1/1/26 रे प्राय 1 मिनिट तले भोजी मु कुसिया गाँव मामू रिंकू मलिक सह चिकेन आनिबा को जाइतो सर से पूर्व राग को रखी आलोक मलिक द प्रेजेंट पेटिशनर एंड अदर्स सनसो कामाख्यानगर उक्त चिकेन दुकान रे दलबद्ध होई हाथ रे विभिन्न मारणास्त्र लुहा रड ठेंगा बाड़ी स्लाइर रेंच धरी मते अतर्कित आक्रमण करी जीवन रे मारी देबा उद्देश्य रे धरिथिबा मारणास्त्र रे माडपिटी करथिले जा फल रे मोर दुई गोटी हाथ भांगी जायछि मुंड फाटी जायछि एवं मु सेठारे अचेत हो जायथिली.
It is reiteration of the
But Alok has given
Alok is the present petitioner.
Alok is.
Who had the enmity with the informant.
But has he given any blow?
The omnibus allegation is there.
Then granted to try to petitioner the petitioner submits that the co-accused persons have approved this court. How many of them? How many?
7 persons. 3 have come in anticipatory bail.
Three of the co-accused persons have approved this court of a grant of anticipatory bail. The coordinating bench of this court, while protecting the passing an interim protection order, called for the CD and anti-nine. The petitioner has been arrested and he is in custody since 2/3/2026. So Lakshmi Learning Council for the state has emphatically relied upon the statement of the victim. What is the name?
One submission. He is having 2 antecedents.
Nature of antecedents?
One is of 307.
307.
Yes. Sub 22, but it's one of
What is this?
307.
My lord, I'll file an affidavit then.
You have filed it.
Status of the case.
May emphasize particularly relied upon the statement of the injured, which reveals that the allegations are omnibus in nature and there is no specific overtake attributed to the petitioner. At this stage, so let me also point out that the petitioner is involved in 3 more cases, similar nature. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner seeks an adjournment to file a comprehensive affidavit disclosing the status of 4 those cases and release the matter on 20th. Yes. I have recorded mostly.
Can it be on 13th or 12th? 13th or 12th?
13th?
On 13th or 12th?
13th may not be possible. Let it be on 18th. 18th, please. Okay.
64.
May I please? And on 20B, 2B to NDPS Act, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, the petition is posted since 6/2/2026, my lord.
Yes.
The file and interim application, my lord. The petitioners why it begins, my lord, on the treatment of the seats of the Ringada Kondhamala, my lord.
You are not pressing for the regular bail, only interim bail.
Interim, first history.
Verify interim bail.
No application has been given.
There is an application 257.
257.
Copy may be given.
The petitioner at the outset submit the counsel for the petitioner at the outset submit that he will not press for the regular bail application. However, he moved an application for interim bail being IA number 257 of 2026 on the ground that the wife of the petitioner,
Yes, ma'am.
wife of petitioner is terminally ill and his presence is required for providing medical treatment. He has also enclosed certain medical document, certain documents on a medical document along with the application, which shall be verified with the state council and file a report by 14th of this month. Yes.
Subitem, my lord. This custody since 6/2/2006, my lord. No antecedent, my lord. She is a passenger class এবং 66 kg
Since it is commercial quantity, CD and CA would be.
Call for CD on 14th only.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Meanwhile, CD.
So IA copy tag.
Yes.
65.
Yes.
Case of 302 mail.
302. CD is there, madam?
No, no.
Huh?
No.
Call for CD. Call for CD. Reached it on 18th case.
66.
My lord, on behalf of Asit Kaur Ajana, my lord, this is the present petitioner is in custody since, my lord, 21/2026, my lord.
21?
21 20
January.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
2026, my lord. For offense under section 318 bracket is equals to 20 of the IPC, my lord.
What have you done?
Fact of the case is that the present petitioner identified.
की पैसा नहीं चाकरी देवे कोई पैसा नहीं
From
4,70,000
one person or many persons?
from one person to place to give service to the daughter and son, my lord. That as allegation, my lord. And having one criminal antecedent, my lord.
And does he have any criminal antecedent?
One antecedent, my lord. One antecedent, my lord.
Same, similar nature.
My lord, one antecedent.
Call proceeding, huh? List of 18th, yes. 18th, yes.
67.
Antecedent also, huh? Criminal antecedent.
Yes, my lord.
60?
67.
May I please on behalf of Mr. Sethi Mehra, custody since 19/1/26.
19/1?
26 Mehra, offense 64 of a BNS. Victim is the 35 years married lady and a petitioner also a married person, Mehra.
What are the allegations?
He has committed a murder.
Hmm?
Allegation is there, Mehra.
183 statement.
Both are neighbor, my lord.
What is the name? Gorango. Medical? This medical Date of completion of exam 19/1/2026 at
Offense
7:30.
18-1 offense, 19-1 examination within 24.
And it the report says that there is no sign of
Recent sexuality. 183 statement ରେ ସେ କରବର୍ସ and ଦିଟା ଆଇ ୱିଟନେସ୍ ଅଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆମେ ଭିଡିଓ ବି କରିଛୁ
I mean, have you recovered any video or any?
ଇନଭେଷ୍ଟିଗେସନ ଚାଲିଛି
Just check it up and tell me. Because see, medical report doesn't support.
medical report doesn't support it.
So then he's already there in the custody for about 5 months. Just check it up.
Yes.
The video part, just check it up.
Yes.
Anything else comes. Because the video has been done by the co-accused, Minu.
They're not co-accused. There are two accompanies of the victim.
But who has done the video? Just see the 164 statement. This accused has not done.
No, accused has not done.
Somebody else has done.
Eyewitnesses have done. ସେମାନେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ମୋର ଦି ଜଣ ସାଙ୍ଗ ଯାଇଥିଲେ ମୋ ସହ ଗୀତ
Check it up.
I'll just check.
Check it up and tell me. Shall I pass it over or what?
Pass over.
Pass over. Okay. Check it up. If there is no recovery of any videograph and all, and medical report doesn't support, then he is entitled to bail.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, next.
It's 8.
This one is custody from 5/9/25.
Sorry? 5/9?
From 5/9/25.
5/9/25.
25.
Yes.
Offense under section 310A and 3(1)(2).
What are the
As per the FIR story, my petition's name does not reflect in the FIR.
CD is there, madam?
No, Your Lordship.
Call for CD, huh? Please sit on 18th. I'm calling for 18th, yes.
69.
69.
May it please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
So here the mother-in-law is before this honorable court seeking bail. She is in custody since 3 February 2026 for alleged commission of offences under section 85-108-80 of the BNS corresponding to section
498-304B.
304B. What is the allegation against mother-in-law?
Specific allegation. She was pregnant also.
She was pregnant.
She was pregnant.
Unfortunately. Lordship, kindly have a glance to page 14.
14, 1/4?
1/4.
Yes.
That is the FIR.
What is your name?
Tilottama Panda.
Tilottama Panda. By this time, Tilottama Panda was prepared. Tilottama Panda is the
Mother of the deceased.
no. Informant is Tilottama Panda.
Informant is Tilottama. Petitioner is
Talking-
Panda.
Specific allegation.
FIR, my lords, there is specific allegation clearly. Our my lords, we
Marriage,
actually all for हमें पड़ोसी माने उनको जानिया को फाइल होती है
And her mother
Suicide कर दी।
torture had both physically, so demanding routing had
ତାର ଶାଶୁ ନୟନା ପଣ୍ଡା ଶ୍ୱଶୁର ସୁଦର୍ଶନ ପାତ୍ର ଦିଅନ ତପନ ପଣ୍ଡା ସ୍ୱାମୀ ତାକୁ ପିଟାମରା କରୁଥିଲେ ଆମେ ଆମ ଘରକୁ ନେଇ ଆସିଲୁ ତାର ଶାଶୁ ଶ୍ୱଶୁର ସ୍ୱାମୀ ଆସି ସମାଧାନ କରାଇ ନେଲେ 4ଟାରେ ସନ୍ତୋଷ କୁମାର ପଣ୍ଡା ପାଖକୁ ଯାଇ ତୁମ ଘର ଲୋକ ଫୋନ କରି କହିଲେ ଯେ କବାଟ କିଳି ଦେଇଛି ମୋର ଜୟଙ୍କୁ କଲ୍ पेज 16 ରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ମାନେ ଇନଫର୍ମ କଲେ ଯେ କବାଟ କିଳି ଦେଇଛି ଦେନ୍ ମୋର ଜୟଙ୍କୁ କଲ୍ କରି ପଚାରିଲେ ସେ କହିଲେ ମୁଁ ବାହାରେ ଅଛି ଦୋକାନରେ ଅଛି ମୋର ଶାଶୁ କଲ୍ କରି କହିଲେ ଯେ ସେ କେଉଁ ଆଡେ ନେଇ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ଶାଶୁଘର ଅନ୍ୟ ଲୋକ କହିଛନ୍ତି
But next FIR means if your lordship will peruse, FIR story is totally clear कि माने totally implicating. My lords, I humbly submit that is an unfortunate incident. The petitioner's family are also very under grave because she was pregnant.
Page
If your lordship
17
will
that
peruse the
important.
FIR of the informant, who is the mother of the deceased, and the 161 statement. Material contradiction is there regarding who gave the information. Because my lord, that shows the means the acts subsequent to the incident. In FIR, the informant says कि हमें phone करो कि उठे नहीं हमको ignore कर देले हमको switch off कर देले. The line is मात्र आजी तारीख को so and so रिखरे समय प्राय
She died committing suicide.
There is, as per the postmortem, it is suicide, madam. There is no extra, no injuries.
Suicide by hanging.
Hanging, madam. It is
PM report is
page 18, madam.
hanging.
Hanging, madam.
And what is the spot report? Whether the door was closed or anything from inside bolted, or how she was found? how the body was recovered. That was in
Question mark, kindly see page 17.
17.
17.
Yes.
Both initial stage of year
I have the,
page 17.
Sumitra Panda.
she is the sister of the deceased, madam.
थर्ड लाइन फ्रॉम द टॉप बाहागर परे तार सासू ता उपरे सबले पाटितुंड करे भिणी स्वांस मारापिटा करुथिले पैसा पत्र देउनथिले फोन कले फोन भांगी देउथिले सेतपई मो भौणी आम घर को पळै आसला मात्र किछ दिन रहिया पर भद्रलोक कहवा द्वारा मो भौणी तां घर को जाइथिला आज 2/2/2026 रे बड़ बापा कहले झियो सासू कॉल करी कहले कि तुम झियो कबाट किली देछि जोई को कॉल करे से कहले मो सोर बेला रे अछि मात्र भौणी कॉल करी कहउतला भाई दिन 10टा समय आस्थिले तांक
That is the reason I am asking how the body was recovered.
आगे स्टेटमेंट दरकार पड़िबो एतिकी स्टेटमेंट अछि ऑन रिकॉर्ड
Because she had bolted the door from inside. How the body is recovered? Who had discovered the dead body?
Some statement would be required. I'll
This statement actually.
Get that. Get that. Please sit down. 18. Just tell me that only.
Yes.
Yes. Next.
70.
74 उठ गया. 74 उठ गया. 74 उठ गया. Yes. Yes. 70.
Item 70.
Non-APS. Interception. Yes. Rest after lunch.
My lords, inaction of the passport authority in issuing the passport. My lords, on the
do you have any criminal case against you?
Yes, my lord. My lords, that pendency of the criminal case is not a bar.
Yes.
That case relates to 2016.
Okay. The
And I am
passport, you surrender the old passport to the court? Yes.
passport.
Yes. What do you say?
My lord, they have to obtain a NOC from the concerned criminal.
For renewal, there no. Show me the provision.
My lord,
For renewal, you need the NOC from the court.
No, this is
for the
yes,
issuance,
my lord.
for the issuance also, my lord, that is.
Is it fresh issuance or fresh?
Yes, my lord.
So, my lord, 62F is a bar because they have a criminal case. So, the GSR.
Passport. Yes. 62.
Section 6 subclause. Subsection.
Yes. Yes, read.
Subject to the other provision of this act, the passport authority shall refuse to issue a passport or travel document for visiting any foreign country and under clause C of subsection 2 of section 5 or on any one or more of the following grounds and on no other grounds, namely, that is 2F is that the proceeding in respect of an offence alleged to have been committed by the
No, this is something
pending before the criminal.
Just read. This is for visa.
No, madam, it's for passport.
Just read it once again.
Madam.
Subject to the provisions of the Act, the passport authority shall refuse to make an endorsement for visiting any foreign country under clause B. For the purpose of visiting a foreign country, you need a visa. For that, endorsement is barred if you have a criminal case. But for holding a passport, it is a fundamental right. You can't deny that. Show me any other provision.
My lord, GSR 570 is there.
Show me that.
My lord, that I don't have it right now, my lord, sir.
Show me that. He has a right to hold a passport, being a citizen.
He has a right, my lord, but
right to hold a passport, you can't restrict his movement. If there is a flight risk, if any case is there, for that 661 operates.
My lord,
But holding a visa for a citizen, there is no legal bar.
my lord, for the when the passport is issued, my lord, if there is a criminal case, that is a bar.
Passport issued doesn't mean that you presume that he will travel
But
outside.
As per the GSF 570E of the Ministry of External Affairs.
Get that, get that and put it on Tuesday. Get that, Tuesday. Okay. Otherwise you'll dispose it up, yes.
Item 67.
There are some judgments also, why don't you bring that judgment?
The judgment of the my lord clarifies that.
I myself I pass a judgment, just
My lord.
find out. In this line, yes.
Item number 67, your lordship has queried whether any video has been seized to that effect, your lordship.
67.
67, your lordship.
Yes.
The allegation is that she was, rape was committed on her, and her friends recorded these video and which has been reduced into a CD and that has been seized, your lordship. In page 47, that is the 183 statement, he says the victim to hame mobile leke record karlu. Then page
Converted to the CD also, huh?
CD bhi hai, again. Caesar report bhi achi. Caesar report 37. Then
It is converted to a CD.
yes.
The phone is belong to her friend, madam.
All
not
these
the
things,
husband.
but see, not only the rape, recorded and converted to a CD and kept it.
That has been given by her friend, madam.
Wait for some time. Wait for some time. Right now. Do you want me to reject or adjourn it beyond vacation? Vacation. Okay, beyond vacation.
71.
Lordship, item 70.
71.
70.
Petitioner was working as a postmaster.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Petitioner was working as a postmaster as Torsara Bozo. It is alleged during period.
Custody since?
14 lakhs 64,000 Bishop employed for his own purpose.
Custody.
Custody 10/1/26.
Yes, madam.
Postmaster thile misappropriation to the extent 14.
Not deposited the money, you have taken the money, not deposited. Investigation is going on.
Yes.
All documentary evidence, whatever. All documentary evidence.
Yes, sir.
Well, any antecedent?
No.
Petitioner is on phone call, petition phone call. The petitioner is in custody since 10/1/2026. Investigation of the present case is still going on. The petitioner, you are still working or?
Working as a postmaster.
Suspended.
Petitioner is employed as a sub postmaster in where?
Torsara Bozo.
Torsara?
Both.
Both. Torsara, both. Regarding the period of custody, nature of litigation, cooperative investigation. And investigation is not complete, na?
Supplemental charge has been filed.
Cooperative investigating agency, yes. Charge sheet is not, charge sheet has been filed. Charge sheet has
Supplemental charge has been filed.
supplementary charge sheet. No, the supplementary charge sheet has been filed, the final charge sheet is still limited, and the petitioner shall cooperate with the investigating agency. And subject to the revision of the criminal investigation, granted bail. Yes, next.
72.
Yes.
Petition custody since 6/3/2026, my lord.
6/3?
26, my lord.
Yes.
10 is there, my lord. Case and counter case, my lord. The name of the petitioner was not in FIR, my lord. Subsequently, he was arrested and his bail application was rejected. But in the meantime,
what are the injuries?
The head injury achi.
Simple or grievous?
Seta notify konanti theta injury achi gotte achi forehead side re laceration wound of size of 2 × 2 cm, that has to be a grievous injury. Agote injury achi 0.5 cm ro eyebrow pakare.
And there is a cross FIR also.
my lord, where the belongs to SCST, my lord.
This the annexure 3 is your FIR.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is the informant here?
Here that victim, my lord. Avinash killer.
Dolo Govinda.
Yes. And he also named 3% in the FIR, my lord, not the name of the
Dolo Govinda. Your father. Your father has.
Ashanti Behra is my.
And the antecedent?
No, my lord.
Where have you said that?
Not mentioned, but the no antecedent, my lord.
There is no antecedent.
Antecedent. Petitioner is so. Allegation is the petition. Pertaining to the same incident, the father of the present petitioner has also registered a cross FIR being Hindol PS case number 19 of 2026 for Alice Commissioner for the following offences. Next 3. And then other about the petitioner specifically submits that the petitioner has no criminal antecedent, which the state council is also the same. Is also stating the same thing regarding the nature of options and so on. So the custody. Yes, next. Yes.
73. 74.
It has committed suicide and 108 has been charge sheeted and initially UD case has been registered and postmortem was conducted due to asphyxia.
It is there?
Yes, it is.
And 14-year son has already been given statement that the ma committed suicide. ବାପାଙ୍କର ମୋର ଯାଇ ଦେଖିଲୁ ଯେ ମା କହିଲେ କୁଟା ଆଣିବାକୁ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ସେଠି custody since 9th July 2025.
25.
Yes.
What are the mechanisms?
That is the cause of death is also auspicious and suicide. That the
Suicide.
Marriage.
Wife of the present petitioner.
And there is one of the son, that is the Karya Maji, that is 14 years.
Show me the postmortem.
Custody.
Combined asphyxia and venous congestion resulting from hanging.
Hanging, huh? Suicide in nature.
ବାରିପଟ ଗଛରେ ଯାଇ ସୁଇସାଇଡ୍ ବାରିପଟ ଗୋଟେ ଗଛରେ ଯାଇ ସୁଇସାଇଡ୍
The minor son, what minor son says?
That is 14.
What is he saying?
I'm reading.
Who is the informant? The
informant brother of the
deceased.
Demanded some money, thereafter lost the affair.
And later on, the father and mother of the deceased also.
No witness, eyewitness, nothing is there. Also. That's this is 7/29/7/2025. The provision of the CD reveals that the provision of CD, particularly the postmortem report, reveals that his death is due to combined effect of asphyxia and various congestion resulting from hanging. Hanging and was a suicidal nature. The minor son, what is the minor son of name?
Karya Maji.
After the deceased Karya Maji statement has been particularly points out who is the statement under 161 CRPC has stated that her mother has committed suicide. And the petitioner is the husband of the deceased, and at the instance of the brother of the deceased, the present FIR has been registered. For the petitioner submits that to the informant for the brother of the deceased has demanded money from the present petitioner on refusal of the same. The present FIR has been registered. Regarding the nature of offense, period of custody is also granted bail. Yes.
75.
Charge sheet has been filed. Charge sheet has been filed. Charge sheet has been filed.
Already committed to court of sessions. ST case.
Charge sheet filed
already.
Charge sheet filed on. After investigation, charge sheet in the present case has already been filed on. Give the bail. Yes.
75.
Charge sheet filed on 26/9/25.
26/9/25. Yes. Yes, 75.
75, that is the cyber crime. The link with the West Bengal also. I pay some time to
get the CD. Lease the matter on 19th. CD.
I mean the sub item, your lordship.
Okay, both the, yes, CD. Yes, next.
76.
Yes,
20B to C of NDP segment.
yes.
The petition of
2 quintal 2 quintal 90
High
kg.
Court 20.
CD is there?
CD is there, but it belongs to Chhattisgarh, so antecedent is required because
Yes.
antecedent is.
Tell me. Yes. Are you?
Petition of custody since.
Not ready, it seems. Not prepared.
Another day.
And I'll put it next week.
Yes, ma'am.
Next week. April 7th. Huh? He's not prepared. Yes.
77.
This is also cyber crime that.
Call for CD. Same day.
CD.
Yes.
78.
6 also.
Issue notice. Boxo is there. Yes, next. Through IO. Huh? Through IO. 79.
79.
Nine.
No, CD 9.
CD actually.
CD 9. CD.
Call next week. CD 8. 1 week. 8. Call for CD. Yes. It's yes.
Item 80.
80.
Yes. 50 kg ganja.
50 kg. It is alleged that 50 kg of ganja was recovered from the vehicle which was driven by the present petition. And in the mean period, charge sheet has been submitted. And it also reveals during course of investigation, which has been mentioned in the charge sheet, that there is no criminal antecedent of the petition. And I also filed an affidavit stating the same fact that there is no.
You custody since? Custody?
Charge sheet custody. 22 to 2026.
25.
26, madam. 2026.
Yes.
Charge sheet was submitted 1/4/2026.
Yes. Special documents. The CD is there.
This one, CD is there, sir.
Huh?
CD is there.
You tell me what are the materials?
50 kg has been seized from the.
That I know. Beyond that, you tell me. Have you gone through or not?
I don't know.
Let's you tell me immediately. Why do you wait? Let him CD be then comes for the state submit that although he has received the CD, but he has not prepared the case. Hence he seeks an adjournment. He is the matter on 5th. 5th. Prepare him to come. Let us not waste time. Yes.
81.
Yes.
103 BNS. 302.
Your Lordship, item number 81, the petitioner has been in custody since 5th February 2026. The offense he has been charged under is murder. The basic allegation against him is that the complainant's husband and the petitioner, they were neighbors. They got into some altercation and there was some altercation.
Yes.
So there was some altercation between them. Then the wife saw the senseless body of the husband. She took it to the hospital and he was declared dead. That's the basic allegation based on which he has been charged under the offense of murder.
He's in custody since
5th February 2026.
You have filed so many annexures. Are you not referring to anyone?
4 annexures, Your Lord.
No, tell me which annexure you want to refer.
If Your Lordship comes at page number 24, which forms part of the annexure 2,
yes,
that forms the basic substratum of the FIR.
What is your name?
Ritu Pradhan, the petitioner.
Okay. 24.
Page number 24.
Yes.
May I read your Lordship?
Yes.
On 3/2/2026 at 11:30 p.m. Bhanjanagar PS, case number 100 dated 3/2/2026 under section 1031 BNS. The case has been registered on the report of the complainant Srimati Arati Swain age 35, wife of Sri Harikrishna Swami of village PS Bhanjanagar district Ganjam, to the effect that today evening at about 7:30 p.m. her neighbor, namely Ritu Pradhan, made argument with her in the color shop and also assaulted. As a result, he became senseless. Immediately, her husband was shifted to HDGS Bhanjanagar by an auto, but the MO declared her husband as dead. Due to the assault of Ritu Pradhan, her husband died. Hence, he reported the matter to PS for legal action. At the end, SI SK Sethi of Bhanjanagar took up investigation of the case.
Well, they assault by what? MO, where is the PM postmortem?
That has not.
I'll call for CD. Okay, call for CD. At least the matter on 14th.
Much obliged, Lord.
Yes.
82.
Yes.
Lordship, kindly adjournment this matter.
On the request, leave the matter up to the case of PS.
83.
My lord, is petitioner is in custody since 22/2026.
This is the
Offense under section 281.
cattle transporting.
Guru.
So we are
Good take cattle नहीं की बात लग रही है. Good take it.
Good take?
Good cattle. Some cattle.
I think some accident.
Having a lot of antecedent.
No antecedent. No antecedent.
You call it.
FIR copy I have already filed, but is not been that I have given the copy then.
What is the name?
My lord, Nilamani Behera.
CA is required because of that is the that will side of the Bodamba Narsimpur.
Of the food and drink of the state, cattle, which are large. Don't give food to the cattle and carrying, very cruel. That's the reason it is rejected. And but you have to, where is the cattle now?
Cattle is in the police station. Before it has been a sale or anything, police has seized the vehicle and cattle.
Must be there in the Gosala.
Gosala.
Petitioner is accused in so allegation against the petitioner so. Petitioner is in custody since 22/26. Counsel for the petitioner submits that on instruction submits that the petitioner is not.
They are tidying their leg and mouth also.
Huh?
ता मुंह को गोड़ को बांधे की पकेगी.
I know, so cruel, so cruel.
So cruel.
So cruel. That is the reason bail is rejected. But anyway, he is already there since 3 months.
So we must follow the criminal antecedent must be there because of.
I am recording it. Subject to verification. Subject to verification of incident, he could be also. Yes. 84.
Petitioner is in custody since 1/2/2026. This is the allegation that I am the co-accused. I have the main accused to kidnap that victim girl. But he is in custody since 1/2/2026.
Rejection order 15 show that is the 6 criminal antecedent against it.
6 antecedents, all are different.
Different, but you are
all are he is in on bail in all the cases. Madam.
So CD and CD is not available.
Huh? CD is not there.
CD is not.
All for CD 20th. Yes, next.
CD charge sheet already submitted.
21st. Let him bring it. Yes.
5.
102 gram. 102 gram brown sugar heroin. CD not available.
Non appears.
I'm appearing through VC minutes.
Yes, yes.
Yes, 102 grams of brown sugar millet below commercial quantity. I'm in custody since 8/10/2025. The charge sheet has been submitted. I have enclosed that at page.
And call for CD and I hear it on 15th. Huh? Call for CD 15th. Yes.
86.
My lord. My lord, has been custody since 21/1/2025. My lord, principal accused is one Bhalu Jhodia, my lord.
26.
आगे 25 20 के 25
Okay.
302 is there.
हाँ
It is not
302
available.
प्रिंसिपल एक्यूज होते हैं
It is not.
Call for CD 20th. Yes.
87.
302 minor case 80.
I'm on VC Milord.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mr. Murthy.
The petitioner is in custody since
Earlier they are also approaching this court. In this case, my lord,
the petitioner is in custody since 225 Milord.
662
ଆମର this is third time first time ରେ ମୋଟ କଥା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ତ first time ରେ withdraw କରିଥିଲି charge sheet file ହେଲା ପରେ କରିବ ବୋଲି
Let the CD come that day you argue.
Charge
You
sheet-
tell those things.
charge
You
sheet
fill it and
file-
reject it.
125 that.
हाँ
If he has consumed, I reject it.
No,
You
it
don't
is
worry.
the
It's all right when I call for
exemption of the informant and other.
I call for CD. That they point out if
Yes,
he has
sir.
concealed, then obviously we can reject.
yes
Yes. Yes, Mr. Murthy, yes.
Yes, Milord. The petitioner is in custody in 225 Milord on the allegation that he has committed an offence under 85, 80 subsection 2, 103 subsection 1, 238A BNS. That is, your lordship know that 498A corresponding to 498A, 304B, 302 and 201 IPC.
You are what? Your husband?
Yes, my lord. And as per the report and the materials available, they were married on 11/2/2024, but they were leading a very happy life. Only they say since few months, the husband was asking his wife to bring some more money so that they can construct a house. That is why then unfortunately on the date of incident,
How she died?
the washing machine was short circuited and blasted and the entire house was burnt. And she died out of the burning injuries and she sustained certain injuries on her head also. And the investigation is complete.
Is it correct that the washing machine is blasted?
Yeah. May I draw your kind attention to page annexure 2.
Annexure 2, okay. See,
Page-
Well, I am looking at the postmortem report what my learned senior has annexed.
Page
The
33.
cause of death is
on
due
what
to
slide?
coma as a result of above mentioned head injury. Number 2, the cause of death due to burn injury as reported by the police is not possible in the instant case as the burn injury are post-mortem in nature. That case diary is required.
I'll call for question. Case diary, call for case diary, this is the matter 19. 19. I'm
Yes, my
calling
lord.
for case diary. Yes.
Okay.
88.
It may please your lordship.
2 kg ganja.
The petitioner is in custody since 2nd February 2026.
2nd February.
Yes, my lord.
2nd February 26.
26.
Okay, 2 kg, yeah?
Yes, my lord.
A criminal incident?
No, my lord,
Subject to-
nothing.
No criminal incident, 2 kg ganja, custody from 2 to 26, granted. Yes.
89.
That's called local security.
Local, he's outside it.
Yes.
89, na? 80,
89.
outside. Petitioner shall furnish a local surety. This
Okay.
includes his permanent address and permanent address, telephone number, and shall furnish a local surety. Yeah, local surety. Yes.
Okay.
Local
89.
surety to be satisfied.
360 kg ganja. Commercial quantity I have not received the case.
Dear my lord, my sole player for interim bail for a period of 1 month. I am custody Miller near about 3 years.
Interim bail for?
On illness of his wife, and on that ground, my lord, I also look into the annexure to running page 17.
Are you not pressing this for regular bail?
No, ମୁଁ ପୁରା interim bail prayer କରୁଛି main.
Then you want to abscond.
No, କାହିଁକିନା that's why annexure to running page 17.
I'll just ask for the report.
ସେ
When-
Rejection order
On 89 item?
89.
Rejection order page 21.
Movement Miller, running page 18, paragraph 5 Miller. Earlier on Miller, near about on 11/1/2019/2025, this honorable court granted me interim bail for a period of Miller 1 month. I surrender in time and after verifying the report, paragraph 5 Miller. This
Yes.
said report revealed that.
I saw that. Yes.
My lord, can I have a glance to page 21? The grounds taken by the accused petitioner regarding illness of his wife, the document filed reveals that his wife last time on 28/5/2025, that is 7 months from the today, has visited OPD DHS Kandhamar. In support of his plea, the accused has also not filed any convincing document. সেই পুରୁଣାକୁ ଦେଖିକି ଥରେ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ସେଇ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ସେଇଟାକୁ ଦେଖିକି ପୁଣି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆସିଛି।
Do we have any fresh document?
ସେ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଇଛୁ
ସେଇଟା ପାଇଁ ହଉଛି 25 ର
Where is
29/5/2025
where is where is the I?
page 27
ତ ଦେଇନି ମିଲଟ
23
You file better you file a interim application in this and with fresh documents so that you get it verified, then you
yes ମିଲଟ
ନାଇଁ ତଳ କୋର୍ଟରେ ତାଙ୍କର ଇଣ୍ଟରିମ୍ ବେଲଟା ରିଜେକ୍ଟ ହେଲା ସବୁ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କରିକି ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ଏଇଟାକୁ ମଧ୍ୟ
So you do one thing, you withdraw it and file a fresh interim bill application with fresh documents.
The moment Miller looked into my document, I've been custody last since 3 years.
That is not the consideration. That is not the consideration for
apart from that, Miller, on the report of the State Council submitted by the concerned ISC 1 year Miller back, 1.5 year back, I released on bail and Miller.
And then you keep on allocating that same document through your life.
And apart from that, Miller, since my last document,
I am giving that option. If you otherwise, it has to be rejected. I am giving the option that
Yes,
you
sir.
renew interim bill before the trial court on the basis of the fresh documents.
No, Miller, at this juncture, may I say one thing? I will file the Miller fresh document here by whoever IA. Then my knowledge.
ତଳ କୋର୍ଟ ରିଜେକ୍ଟ କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେଇ ପୁରୁଣା ମାଇଣ୍ଡ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି
ନା 3-4 ବର୍ଷ ରହିଲାଣି କଷ୍ଟରେ ଦେଇ
We are wasting time in this.
that's why I will file all the fresh
You
documents.
file and they will consider, verify and yes. Petitioner aggrieved by the order dated what is that? Order dated order dated 21/2/2026, whereby his application for grant of interim bail on the ground that his wife is ill has been rejected. The trial court, while rejecting the interim bail, has categorically mentioned that the petitioner is relying upon the medical documents of his wife, which is more than 7 months back, and no fresh document has been filed. Mr. Naik, Mr. Panda, Legal Counsel for the petitioner, submits that he would be filing fresh documents demonstrating that the wife of the petitioner is even today not keeping well, and he needs immediate attention, medical attention. Mr. Naik, while opposing the bail, submits that on the basis of same set of documents.
No, ସେଇଟା 25 ର ମୁଁ 24 ରେ ଯାଇଥିଲି, not same set of document. I released an interim bail Miller on 19/11/2021.
ଲେଖିବା ତାହେଲେ
ଭଲେ ଗାଣ୍ଡି ଦେଖିବି
they submits that earlier also the petitioner has been granted interim bail by the order dated 19/11/2024 in BLAPL number 83/820/2024. It appears that petitioner, after availing the interim bail period, has already surrendered and thereafter moved the interim bail application, repeated the interim bail application.
And in
regarding
out of
to the above submissions made by the parties, I am not, although I am not inclined to give indulgence to the petitioner at this stage. However, liberty is granted to the petitioner to renew the interim bail plea before the trial court, supported with the recent documents, medical documents, to demonstrate that the petitioner is not keeping well even today. With this observation, the petitioner.
Hello, one more submission, my lord. Out of 27 charges, 11 already examined.
interim bail rather Miller,
If you can satisfy the wife is
rather Miller on that issue, my lord may reflected I mean custody since now near about 3 years.
that nobody can dispute. Nobody can dispute. The trial court can't dispute.
Not the custody since long. It's Miller.
That can't be a consideration. Yes. Yes.
90. Cyber fraud, the petitioner is the agent.
CD is there?
No.
Call for CD. The same.
My lord, this
20th CD. I'm calling for it. Sir, I will crime. I'm calling for CD on 20th. Yes.
91.
91 my lord have required.
Adjournment. Okay. Adjournment. Yes.
92.
On behalf of Mr. Vijay Jana, my lord, kindly pass over, my lord. Pass over.
For whom?
On behalf of Mr. Vijay Jana, my lord.
I thought Mr. Ragada is sitting beside. You are asking for. Okay.
Another court, my lord.
I heard Vijay Kumar Ragada is on his legs in some other court. Yes. Pass over.
93.
93 minutes, also notice.
It's notice. Notice. Yes. 94.
94.
May please.
Yes.
There are two items on it.
Are
The offense under section 309 clause 4, my lord, that is robbery, my lord. The amount involved, my lord, one mobile phone and a ₹50, my lord. Only. Charge sheet has already been submitted, my lord. Though there are antecedent, my lord. 14 मसीहार antecedent तांग नालों में मैं अपडेट कर दीजिए.
Custody since.
मैंने पर्सन since 23/2/2026.
2C.
हाँ मैं दे दीजिए अपडेट दे दीजिए.
एक केस पे केस वजन करे दूसरे
ना ना file belongs to my lord.
Affidavit, very good affidavit. Give me. Yeah, this is FIR.
Charge sheet.
Charge sheet file.
Charge sheet file.
That is charge sheet. Right, give me. What is recovered? Mobile phone and 50 rupees.
Yeah, card of middle and 50 and a mobile phone. And since my file belongs to her, my lord, she asked me to.
Right. Petition is accusation from allegation of the petition from Mr. Ragada has filed affidavit on behalf of both the petitioners. Mishi koro both the petitioner stating that they have no criminal antecedent. Stating that although both the petitioners have criminal antecedents, although in case of Sabul Khan, there are two criminal antecedents, but both the antecedents 2014. Whereas in case of Mono Standy, the Mono Standy
3
in the 2022, 22 and 25. 25 which is 109. Mono Standy very favorable.
Three Titlagot PS.
Three cases, but can be concerned. He is involved in 3 cases. 2 cases are registered in 2022. The other one is registered in 2025. After investigation, charge sheet has been filed in the present case on 22/4/2026. The petitioners are in custody is 23/2/2026. Mr. Ragada further submits that in the present case, a mobile phone and ₹50 has been alleged to have been stolen by the present petitioner. Regarding bringing it to the nature of allegation, period of custody also granted. Yes.
Stolen by unknown person से कहीं भी subsequently arrested. Stolen by unknown.
Stolen but नहीं सर पूरा सर मिस्टर रगड़ा
subsequently
Mr. Ragada submits that. Further submits that last sentence.
No, not on.
ना नहीं पहला
FR named.
ना नहीं FR है लाजे से कोई से समरे से पढ़ारा मत्ते
नहीं गला
on सजवा पूछ क्या करना
ना FR named.
Yes.
बोल
Common order. Yes.
95.
71 kg ganja. Out of 21 charges, 3 already examined.
Non appeals, least the matter after enjoying summer vacation. Yes.
96.
May I please, your lordship, I will be busy. May I
Yes.
please, lordship, the petitioner is in custody since 25 to 25. The offense is under section 108 BNS, 85 BNS. The allegation against the petitioner is that he asked.
302, I have not received the case diary.
Was a case diary, call for case diary 19. Yes.
97. Present petition is custody.
SCST notice.
Since
তারপরে nomenclature bail criminal appeal
2025 matter. What happened, madam?
nomenclature ଆଥିରେ bail ଅଛି 14(1) ରେ SCST Act section 41
appeal
appeal made out ନହେଲେ ମଧ୍ୟ ସେଠି appeal appeal
Already charge sheet filed.
only
What happened, madam? A same affair. ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ affair ବି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ.
no, what he says, why don't you
14(1) ରେ appeal ହବ.
You have to file an appeal against this order of rejection.
Any order passed by the appeals.
The conversion.
Against and rejection of bail and SCST Act, you have to file an appeal.
Yes. I filing for the conversion.
You file it.
You lordship directly.
I have to file, na?
ବେଶୀ ସମୟ ଲାଗିବ.
Better withdraw, file it better. I'll tell you.
ଶୀଘ୍ର ହେଇଯିବ.
I'll give that to you.
ଛୁଟି ଅଛି ନା.
ନାଇଁ, you file it immediately, mention it out.
ଆୟ କରିଦେଲେ ହେଇଯିବ କାରଣ ଏଟା ଛୁଟି ଅଛି.
Your option, his option is better. I move the I take its own time. Anyway. Anyway, accept Mr. Naik, counsel for the state objects to this bail application, internally stating that against the rejection of bail in a case pertaining to a CST, appeal lies. At this stage, Mr. Das seeks an adjournment to move appropriate application in that regard. Lease the matter on 21st. Yes.
98.
Dowry death case diary.
Case for 04
Case diary, call for case diary 18th. 18th. Yes.
99.
600 kg ganja. I have not received the case diary.
Not received. Okay. 22nd. Call for case diary. Yes.
Item 100.
My lordship, number 109 method. ହାତକୁ କାମୁଡି ଦେଲା ଗୋଟେ ଗଲାରେ ତା ମୁଣ୍ଡ ବାଡେଇ ଦେଲା. Instruction injury simple.
Show me the injury instruction now.
Injury case diary not received.
I have not produced the injury. ତଳ କୋଟରେ ବି ଦେଇନି.
Now he has to bring the injury report. Because head injury is there, no?
Head injury.
Head injury. Therefore, release the matter on 14th. Call for CD, huh? Call for CD. Yes.
92. Passover.
Yes, madam.
103 is there, my lord. CD may be called for.
CD, call for CD 22nd. 22nd. Yes.
Pardon, my lord.
Already disposed of. You are not there. 1 month notice. Yes. Okay.